What is up, everybody? Let's get some green today, boys. Let's do some green. We want some green, not some red. We want green tendies. We want Wall Street bets and AMC. That's what we need. That's what we need today. How's everyone doing? All right. So I somehow forgot to go over this huge news yesterday. I don't understand. Someone should have told me. Pre-market spiked with under 50K volume. All right, we're going to check that out. We're going to check that out pretty soon. All right, so this is the news yesterday that I am actually very confused about. Very confused about. Somebody correct me. Somebody tell me what I'm missing here, please. All right, so basically, let's just read this real quick because it's kind of complicated. Okay, so we're talking about a structural variation, the type that is an insertion/deletion. Okay, if you look at their website, I don't have the thing pulled up right now because I wasn't ready for this. I'm going to because I'm always like on I always am barely getting the stream ready by time. But anyways, an insertion/deletion is what we're doing, right? So BioNano's Sapphire, it's greater than 500 base pairs, right? Only so higher than 500 base pairs up to the highest, which is going to be mega base pairs, right? Structural variations. This one, the insertion was no longer observed, but a deletion in chromosome 8. Okay, the BioNano Genomics Sapphire instrument was used to see if they would do anything, okay? From their data, from BioNano's data, it was determined that the insertion was still present by 500 kilo base pairs. Now, I could be misunderstanding this, but basically, the Hamilton cytogenetics thing, they didn't find it because it was at 50 kilo base pairs, right? That was the insertion. That's my extrapolation on this. Now, there must be something that I'm misunderstanding because if BioNano, in my mind, if BioNano were able to detect any sort of structural variation, in this case, it's the insertion deletion kind of SVs, at 50 kilo base pairs, less than 500 base pairs, that is absolutely humongous news. To me, right? Karyotype, we would be literally making karyotyping the standard structural variation detection thing in cancer and everything that we do even more obsolete. It already is obsolete. There's no reason why Sapphire should not be the #1 across all clinics, all institutions, hospitals. There's no reason. For large structural variation, there's no question. Somebody explain that to me. Somebody get on the Discord and explain. There's got to be a problem because this would I'm like 99% sure if I am right and they mean what I think they mean, it's over. But it can't be because I know Smart Money and Whale Money, the whales, they must have saw this. So there must be something I'm missing here. There must be. I don't know. Somebody explain that to me. Anyways, all right. Accuracy is better than we thought. Also, if you check the end here, this shows your ape language. I like how they even BioNano themselves, or not BioNano, but the presentation here, they have an ape language here at the end. This shows that optical genome mapping can provide additional findings that sometimes cannot be found by the normal. Oh, that's too funny. That's too good. I like that they do the ape language in there, though. All right, institutional ownership for BNGO. We're going to get into the markets in a second. 15.44% for BNGO. We got 15.5%, boys. We already have one person loading, not loading today, but the file was today, 28,000 shares. This is a new position. That basically means to me, in my understanding, that this is a new position. They bought 28,000 shares because it's the first time they've ever been in the stock. That's why it's a green row based on this little key right here. So they're loading up. And now we are officially in Q2 territory for the 13Fs. Based on my understanding, right? I mean, we are 45 days after the end of March 31st, which is going to be the end of the first quarter. We're now in second quarter. So basically all of these 13Fs now, starting now and starting yesterday, actually technically should be, they are going to be in Q2. So this is good. So basically ape language, right? Ape language, what does that mean, Brandon? All right. After March 31st, right? Let me go here. Okay, so right here. So all the 13Fs you're seeing right now, they are all coming from the 1st of April up to now, right? Any time within that is the only range that these institutions would have actually, that's the transaction date, right? Key difference, right? You have to know the definitions. File date is just when they decided to let the SEC know. Transaction date is when they did whatever they're doing, which in this case, 28,000 new shares added. 50 kilo base pairs means 50 50,000 base pairs? No, I don't think that's right. Are you sure? 50 kilo base pairs means smaller. That's like the smallest measurement there is in my mind. I could be wrong. I could get any of this stuff wrong. I'm pretty damn sure though that that's not right. If someone pays for Fintel, will you get exact filing dates or more info that could be useful for the channel? Oh, I should do that. I should buy this. I don't know how much it is. Here, let me see how much it is real quick. I should do that for the channel one of these days. I'll tell you what, I will. What's up, Victor? What's up, my friend? How are you doing? How are you doing, my friend? We got, yeah, so I don't know how much it is. Let's see. Okay, $30 a month. $30 a month. Damn, that's kind of a lot. I'm a cheapskate, boys. I'm a cheapskate. When the channel starts doing well, I'll pay for this. Yeah, we'll get this because this is good information. When you upgrade to premium Fintel, what you get to see is the number one thing in my mind that's most important. You get to see the institution's history with the stock. You get to see if they're increasing their portfolio or not. And technically, you can see that without premium, but it's so much easier with instead of having to go through a ton of different searches and a ton of different. Oh my gosh, like you'd have to look at so many different things and then date them and then write down how much they are so you don't forget. And that's just for one of them. So yeah, that would be cool. That would definitely be cool. And then obviously you'd see this average price, but you can actually calculate the average price based on this. Oof, lol. Yeah. All right, so we got 14 minutes till market open. Let's check her out. Let's check how we're doing. So BioNano right now floating a little bit up in pre-market. We were almost red earlier in the pre-markets. So the fear index, oh, it's scared. This is the one that scares me, man. UVSY, I swear, man. This is the thing that gives me a heart attack. I swear to God. Oh man. But yeah, 1.5% down on the day, which is what we want. Futures are Nasdaq futures were up like 0.5% last I checked. I think they have gone down since then. Just looking at the SPY and the Russell and our stocks. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm more bullish for today. I'm more bullish for today than I was yesterday. All right. Man, I hope we don't see too much green till my next income so that I can load up as the Toots did. That is the right attitude. If you've done your due diligence, man, that's the way to go, in my opinion. That is the way to go. Hell yes. Look at these spark lines. Look at these spark lines. Every stock. Let's look at these spark lines here. Almost every stock has the same thing, and the markets took everyone with it yesterday when we started, after we end the stream, of course. We ended the stream, I don't know, somewhere in here. Then we go for a dive, and then we go for a pump. Like, we get the most boring part of the day every time on the stream. Oh, man, it's too good. It's too good. It never fails. It never fails. There's always going to be something exciting happening right after we end the stream. Oh, man. All right. There's not really anything running pre-market. There's literally nothing doing anything pre-market. Let's check the genomics. Let's check Illumina's fake ass. PacBio and Illumina. Can we all form together to short PacB and Illumina with spare money? Oh man. Oh, all right. What other news do we have today? I don't think we have any other news. Here, let me check. Oh, yeah, someone told me, yeah. So make sure you guys are telling me the news here, because there's... What was it? There was one thing that someone... Damn it. Y'all got to send me the link to stuff. You have to send me the link. There was some sort of options article. Where was it? I thought... I don't know. I'll find it later, but... I could have sworn there was an article. There was another article that came out about the options, unusual options activity for BNGO. All right. Here we go. Let's see if there's anything here. Okay, 6 hours today. What the? Really? You're just... Okay, Yahoo Finance is late a couple days on the earnings report. That's nice. But this actually is something important. You know what? Let me just take a look at this because I actually want to see the key business highlights because I looked at these, but there's actually some stuff in here that's more important than y'all know. Also, that reminds me about this thing, right? Hey, someone clarify. There's got to be a scientist in the chat. There's got to be at least one scientist that watches this that knows what the hell they're doing with the 50 kilo base pairs. Yeah, no. So 50. Yeah. So about your comment earlier. This means KBP meaning. This is kilo base pairs. This is okay. Okay, there you go. All right, it's equal to 1,000 base pairs. All right, I guess I'm wrong then. Would that mean, wait, so these things are actually bigger than base pairs? Alpha Light, welcome to Conducive Insider, my friend. You will have a good time. Hell yes. 1,000 base pairs. Okay, so I guess I was wrong. Okay, so kilo base pairs. Wait, so someone clarify this for me. Kilo base pairs are bigger than base pairs, right? Because one kilo base pairs kilo base pair equals 1,000. Okay, that's really confusing. But all right, I guess that makes sense. I knew I was misunderstanding. There was no way we wouldn't go up 50% if we were detecting like super small, not large structural variance. In this case, really small. But it literally says small enough that it would not be able to find. Like, what the? Like, man. Alpha, I've thought the exact same way. My friend, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. Really, my friend. Really. That did nearly kill me. that Reddit due diligence, it did nearly kill me. Kilo base pairs is like $1 and base pairs are pennies. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. John Graham. That's the truth right there. My brain hurts. You guys should come in the Discord when it's like 10 at night and 11 p.m. at night, and I'm literally researching. Where was it yesterday? We were doing the calculations for the consumable revenue, right? So basically, he gave us this. Where was it? So basically, Patriots Pub, my friend, this is this amazing due diligence. I'm gonna give this guy a roll here. This due diligence. Someone remind me to do that. I'm gonna write that down actually. But yeah, we were doing due diligence, and I was so tired. I'm always so tired at the end of the day, but I'm always finishing things up. And then, it took me like 20 minutes to get this little, get my extrapolation in, and we kept going on. If you want to see my brain hurting, go to the Discord. Free link in the description, my friends. But this is still gonna be big. Okay, so thank you for clearing that up, my friends. So to clarify, right? Basically, 50 kilo base pairs. Oh, I hate how they word this because it's just so damn misleading. Literally, they say, "Oh, it's 50. It's still present by 50 kilo base pairs, which are bigger than base pairs, I guess, but they're small enough, right? Small, that is not being able to see by traditional karyotyping." So yeah, which actually I don't understand really because they're bigger. They're bigger than. So this is like what? 50 times. Oh God, oh God, that's too much math for me. My brain. Sapphire 2.0, the throughput is. So basically you can do more, you can analyze more genomes. You can analyze more human genomes, to my knowledge. Make sure I don't miss the market open. But yeah, if we look, here, let me just look right here. Let me just go right here. So basically, this is kind of what the 12 genomes per 24 hours, 3 genomes per 24, 3 genomes for 74, and then this is the resolution type that you're the graphics, if you will. Like this is 720p. Like this is the first channel. This is me starting out. And then this is us now, like, 1080p. And then this is us after the channel gets successful and we get an amazing mic, a desktop, a PC that can actually handle streaming with good settings and recording with good settings and not take 20 minutes to download one video. Or, you know what? Some of them take hours to download. That 2-hour due diligence that I did, that took hours to download. Anyways. Yeah, it's going to be some crazy amount. I don't remember exactly, but you can do like a crazy amount of genomes per year. Yeah. All right. What was I gonna say? Though? My brain hurts. Oh God, that's never gonna get old. That's never gonna get old with the science of bio-nano. But basically, this is still big. But God, I hate how they worded this. So basically, in conclusion, right? Basically, kilo base pairs means bigger than 500 base pairs, which is fine. This is still good news. But like, damn it, I wanted this to be small. Damn it, man. Anyways, yeah, we know now. Brandon, are you wearing a suit? Yes, I am. I think you can see it pretty well. You want me to move it down a little bit? I can move it down like that. Yeah, I am wearing a suit, so the market should be really good today. Right? The market should be great. Oh, man. The market better be green, or else it's not fair, because the suit has been good luck. We went up to 577 at 6 a.m. with low vol. Oh yeah, I've got a lot of questions about the volume for bio-nano. Yeah, let me. All right, 6 a.m. Don't know what time zone you are, but I'm gonna check it. Okay. It looks like we had a lot of volume spike right at 800, 800, or actually, well, 8. So yeah. There's not really any else. There's not really any more volume. There's really nothing that I'm seeing. So, I mean, we got a little bit here. Not much. The pre-market volume is nothing compared to this. Oh man, I love that. I love that there's a ton of green volume right before market close and right after market open. It's really bullish that we've been seeing that. And also talking a little bit about that chart pattern here, not the chart pattern, but the price action. Well, we do actually. You know what? We kind of have a cup and handle here. Kind of a big ass cup and handle that's very modified. But we got rejected at 580 again today. We got rejected there. I'm telling you guys, 580, man, we got to break and hold above it. We got to. So if you have a buddy that can help you build one, that might be ideal. No, I'm not about to build a PC, dude. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Man. Who bought? He bought? Dump it. Boganoff memes. Look up Boganoff memes if you don't know what that is. Sadly, I think we will stay the same or red today, then green rest of the week, my guess. Overall, I think that article is great because it shows OGM's dominance over fish and karyotyping. Yes, it does, my friend. But here's the thing. We already knew karyotyping. We already know karyotyping sucks. We already know, man. I would not be surprised here at the open. We got 4 minutes. Would not be surprised if we see a huge inflow of green volume. Like that's what we've seen like every day. Even on the day that we did horrible here, right? We went up 30%, and then we went up like what 10%. And then we end the day like, I don't know, 20. I think we were up 22% that day on May 14th after earnings. As it should be. Man. Man, this is looking like an ascending wedge. You know what? I probably need to draw this up. I haven't talked about this in a while. Someone told me about this. Man, I don't like this. It is kind of an ascending wedge, but it's not that bad. You know, like it's like kind of. And actually, that's really good because you know typically you get something like this, and then when you get to the condensation of price action, then you break to the downside, and your price target is the sum of this measured, and then go to the breakout point. But this one doesn't. This one's kind of parallel, you know, almost. I mean, I guess it's something like this. I guess you could say it's like that. But we could be in that forever. You know, we could get up to like 650 before we break. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to bring that to your attention because a lot of people are freaking out like, oh no, ascending wedge. Just upload a pic on the Discord chart of BNGO hiring a PSC to work with insurance companies. All right, let me see here. Is this the hold on. Is this the, what do you call it? We went over this yesterday, I think. Where was it? Oh, I can't go to my source. What was it called? What was it called? Crap. I got it on Stock Twists. Damn. All right, I don't know. I can't actually look at the actual source, but yeah. There were BioNano is hiring positions for Lineagen, right? So Lineagen they have like a ton of they're really going high quantity as far as hiring. Obviously, optical genome mapping will get the crowd, and BNGO will be the queen. Optical genome mapping we already know karyotyping sucks. Like, there's no reason that I know of why karyotyping should stay the standard. Like, Sapphire, I don't know how long it's going to take, right? But it's going to be, I mean, we don't even necessarily need any huge innovations to be profitable in a couple of years, or even less than a couple of years. I mean, Sapphire is going to take over karyotyping as the #1 large structural variation in cancer and solid tumors like hematological malignancies, right? Leukemia, lymphomas, all this crap, right? Brain cells hurting now, right? Sorry, so we got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes for the market, but I'm not worried about BioNano. Let's see what we're doing pre-market now. All right, I think it's going to be a good day, man. I think it's more likely to be a good day. I'll say that. Brandon should have hair when BNGO hits 100. I agree. I should not shave all my hair bald. No, I'm kidding. I think what you mean is not where I have. Anyways, Brandon, for Discord, do a weekly poll for new stocks to join the server. It shouldn't center only around BNGO. I know. I get the. I know a lot of people have been telling me. We need to do more. Other stocks other than BNGO. I know. I want to. There's so much interest relatively on this channel, though. Like, the interest is like 90% BNGO and 10% everything else. Plus, there's so much news on BNGO. Plus, it's what I'm best at. So it's like, what do I do? But I want to cover more stocks. other than just BNGO. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm telling you, when we get the new laptop's coming in. I don't know. I think next week sometime. I'm telling you, the video output is gonna increase. So we got 4 seconds to open. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh man, let's see how we open here. Oh, UVXY. Yes, we want this to go down. If this goes down, we'll have a good day. Oh, Nasdaq opened up way red. What? Is this a glitch? Okay, yeah, this is a glitch. Jesus, I was about to say. Man, I'm about to say it's over. GG. All right, man. All right, so BNGO is pushing already. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, man. Let me add the watch list here so we can watch them. All right. Look at that volume. Look at that volume. We call it. I mean, every day, every single day at the market open, there's a ton of volume. We got to break through 580. That's the goal. 580, close above 580. I'll add shares today. I swear to God. I want to do a YOLO call. I want to do some YOLO calls at someday about on BNGO. So the Nasdaq opened pretty badly, actually. Ooh, Nasdaq. I mean, it opened fine. It gapped up, but you know, the futures were way higher than this. Damn. I don't like this. I don't like where we're going here. Oh boy. Look how overextended we are. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's not good. That is not good, guys. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, we want to go sideways and get that bounce, that kiss off the 21 SMA. Let's see how BNGO is doing. Oh geez. All right, man. We got a big volume 1 minute candle there, but we'll see. Look at that. Next, we have no more volume. That's it. We only have a little bit of volume here. That's all for the day. And I'm telling you, volume is going to be key in deciding what happens. It will. The interest of the stock, which I've done everything I can for it. Who the hell knows if it's going to work? It has not worked this far. All right. Mara opening down a little bit. If this gets close to my cost basis, I think it's up like 8%, 9% right now. Yeah, it's up like almost 10% right now. That was the swing trade that we did yesterday. I will add more shares as we get closer down there because that stock is going to do great things. It looks like, could we get a chill day? Can I finally be chill on the stream for like one day and not be shouting? Is this going to happen for one day? I mean, I'm fine with a chill day. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm tired as hell. I need to stop staying up till like 12 until like midnight doing research. Literally on the Discord is making me do way more research than normal. All right, here we go. Oh! No! R2, we need to be going up, not down. Ah. Oh, no. Wrong way, BioNano, wrong way. We have a nice 16K buy wall at 550, but damn, that is not, oh my gosh, no. No, we got carnage. No. Dude, I'm about to buy the dip here. I really want to add shares at 551. I really want to, but I know the Nasdaq is just such a gamble. I will definitely add shares if we hit 530. That's 100% sure. I don't think we're breaking 530 unless the Nasdaq falls through a roof. I hope there's another stock you believe in like this, lol. There definitely is. Mara and JMIA, the other two positions I have currently, I believe in them just as much, if not more than BNGO probably. Yeah, and then Microvision is another one I really like. And CTXR is probably the other. I sense Robbie coming out with his cave in a wagon driven by the doctor. Oh man, we're going down. Robbie Robbie has entered the chat, man. You know Robbie's watching now. He's like, oh, we're down for the first time. Oh my gosh. It's too funny. Is there anything new here? Don't think there is. All right, so the Nasdaq, no. The Nasdaq's getting absolutely annihilated right now. No. All right, let me check some indicators here. All right, let me check the 5 minute. All right, so wow, we're still really overextended. We need to hold. God damn, man. God damn. Russell 2000 is down. Everything's down now. Wow, I did not expect this. I mean, of course, this is the first minute. I still think it's more likely that we go green from here on out. But we'll see. Wow, man. Wow, I'm very surprised. The fear index is still down, so I'm not really sure what is really. It's not fear that's causing this sell-off based on that. Very weird. Seems after hours, retail and institutional investors may drive the stock. During trading hours, market manipulation is back. I don't know if I agree with that. You know what? Just because the after hours the after hours literally means nothing for the stock unless it's like a huge move. And then pre-market does matter, but I don't know. A market open has done well. And here's the thing: since we've gotten so much more institutional ownership, and this is even in quarter two now. We're in the people that are filing now are quarter two transactions. The more hedges that are on our side, the more suits that are on our side, the less they will want to manipulate BIOL against us, and the more they'll want to actually help it and manipulate it to tendies, to bullish price action. God, this is ugly. This is really ugly. We'll see what happens here, but I don't know if I don't know, man. We'll see. Here, let me drop a support for you. Okay, so the Nasdaq is finally doing something. Look at that, man. It's so volatile. BNGO is so volatile, man. We already know it's volatile. Come on. Okay, so we actually do have a little bit of support at 550. Yes, in the past we definitely do. Yeah, there is a small support. I mean, there's obviously the natural buy wall, 17K shares now. That's what I like to see. Also, let's look who's winning the battle. So the bulls are beating the bulls in the shares to be bought. Apparently, who knows if it's actually going to happen, right? Who knows if they're actually buying, right? But fake walls. That's what I mean. But basically, yeah, there is going to be a small support here. So let me go ahead and draw this up. So yeah, let's just do 550. We got to bounce off there right now, actually, perfectly. Did we kiss 550? Let me see here. We did. All right, nice. No Dr. Pepper here. Oh no. My short position is doing lovely. Thanks, bulls. Dude, thank you for the 30% gain since 430, bro. I literally doubled my position when we were at 430. Did you double your short position there? I'm sorry, I'm getting pissed off. All it takes is one bear to get me pissed off. It's so funny. But I also love debunking them because they're so arrogant and I hate it. I also love it at the same time though. Anyways, yeah, let's see the markets now. Let me check that. You know what? I haven't even checked the economic calendar today. It's still early in the morning, boys. Stay with me. All right, let's see if there's anything that sent the markets on edge today. Building permits. Okay, so the actual was a little bit lower than what we were projected for, and the housing starts was less. And we also have the former Treasury Secretary speaking at an Atlanta Fed banking conference. Oh, boy. That's not like JP horrible, but suit power activated. Oh man, not really, man. I'm trying to activate it. I'm trying everything. Yeah. Let's see. And here's the thing. I think we are good on the 4. Oh, no, we're not. Okay, yeah, no, this is the indicator that I was scared about. The 4-hourly SAR, man. Look, we gapped up right at it and we got rejected again. That's what's so scary about this. That is what I'm waiting. I actually have a decent amount of buying power right now. That's actually one of the crucial things that I'm waiting for the confirmation as to, time to swing trade whatever I want, which would be BNGO, JMIA, MARA, maybe Microvision. Let's see how Microvision is doing today. Okay, Microvision's holding up well. Nano Dimension, I'm going to have to buy some Nano Dimension, dude. It keeps getting killed. It's crazy, man. Nothing is really moving. Is it just me, or is this a quiet day? We'll see what happens. We'll see. Anything can happen, of course. Mara just flipped green. Okay, hell yes. Hell yes, Mara. Damn, dude, look at this. This is crazy. How is Mara green? Okay, I do know how, but this is still crazy. Bitcoin was at 44, almost 45K in the pre-market. Mara was red. Now Mara is green, although Bitcoin is even lower. It's like, what is going on with this? Of course, I think Mara is undervalued, but I mean, I think I'm going to have to take a little bit. I want to take some off the top right now, actually. I really do, but we'll see. I do think the Nasdaq can push a lot higher than where it is right now, so I think I'm going to hold off for now. We're going to do some live trading. Shorting BNGO is easy, like riding a bike. Yeah, where were you yesterday, bro? I say the same goddamn thing every day, and you never answer. Where are you on the green days? Like, I will never understand. I think they're just trolling, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm not going to waste any time if it's just mindless, literally not even, 2 IQ comments like that. And respectfully, well, actually, you know what? Not respectfully. Fuck you, fuck you, Dr. Pepper, because you know, for obvious reasons. I try to be fair to the Bears. I give the Bears every chance to be, you know, to have a nice conversation, common ground, seeking conversation. None of them do it. None of them do it, man. Yeah, but I think Bitcoin has gone up, but barely. Has it not? Isn't barely? Yeah, look at this. It's gone up not even $1,000. It's gone up a little bit, sure. But yeah, there's like one little move from Bitcoin and Mara goes up from down in the red. It's because here's the fundamental reason. Mara's intrinsic value is higher than what it is right now. They are going to be the most tethered. Even if Bitcoin went to 30K, maybe not 30K, even if it went to like 35K, based on the past here, if the ape language, let me just do ape language. This is really complicated. Just think of it this way, right? Bitcoin used to be at 45K and or 43K, for example, and Mara used to be here, like $40, right? Nowadays, Bitcoin's the same, and Mara has just gone down more. And it's because the Nasdaq and the high growth sector has done horrible. But once that stuff does better, and Bitcoin does go sideways or goes up, this thing is going to 2x quickly, and I mean that. How are those shorts looking now? I think you may have spoke too soon, buddy. And the reason why I don't brag in the first 5 minutes of open is specifically because for this reason, because I actually watch the market open every day for a long time, unlike many of the bears, I'm sure. It's very unpredictable to predict what's going to happen in the next 5, 10, 15 hour based on whatever the first move was. It's completely random, and good luck predicting, oh, we're going to go up because we went down this much or up. You know, chart patterns, indicators, that's how you predict it, not whatever the first 10 minutes was, in my opinion. Bro, what do you mean it's literally me versus 1,000 of you clown biased? Well, dude, yes, we're biased. You are biased as well. My friend, oh, God, I hate the narrow-minded, rudimentary, naive crap. All right, dude, you know I'm respectful, all right? You cannot tell me I don't try to be respectful. God, all right, I'm not even going to do it. I'm not even, you know what? At this point, I give up with Dr. Pepper and Robbie. I give up. I'm done. I'm done, man. Anyways, we are forming a bit of a cup and handle on the 1 minute at least. Let's see if we are a little overextended on the 1 minute. And when I say overextended, I mean on the 1 minute, which would represent a micro pullback. I'm still very bullish. I got some people getting mad at me for saying we're overextended on the 1 minute because they thought I meant overextended in total. No, absolutely not. But okay, so more, that was a quick run. That was a quick run up to 2%. We're back down now. God, that would suck to be shorting BioNano. Like, good luck. I'm sorry for being mean, but it's just true. Oh man, I mean, when the Nasdaq and high growth starts pushing again, this stock BioNano is going to go to the fucking moon, in my opinion, right? Looking like a double top. Well, a cup and handle is technically a double top as well. So, you know, you can't really. I mean, he just wants attention. He wasn't hugged enough. The Bears comments are very pretentious, very ostentatious. I bet Dr. Pepper. I bet none of the Bears know what either of those words mean. All right, let me check the broader markets here. All right, good. So the Nasdaq and Russell are doing good, man. Dude, BioNano could do great things with the Nasdaq. We have an opportunity to do great things when the Nasdaq is not shitting itself. I'm telling you. I'm not saying we're going to go 5% today, but you know, I think that there's going to be an opportunity for it. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Look, if we can flip this, if the Nasdaq can flip the SAR, I would not be surprised if we do right now based on the price action, though. Here we go, man. We may be able to, if we flip that 4 hourly, that's a buy signal, and I will probably be doing, if we can get, okay, let me rephrase that. If we can hold that 4 hourly bullish flip, I will add shares to something. I don't know. Maybe a new trade. Maybe we can do some other stock and switch it up from just BioNano. Maybe we can do, I don't know, Nano Dimension if we're still getting killed that much, or Oxygen. Probably not. No, not. Never mind, not Oxygen. I don't know enough about that company. Nothing is really moving. Okay, so View6 is doing all right. I think that stock got killed though, disproportionately even. So Jumia is really quiet today. Really weird. There's no let's look at the volume for BNGO right now. 2 million. Yeah, we're back to normal volume. See, this is what frustrates me so much. I hate it. Man, that's going to be it. BioNano is not going to be able to do as amazing of things if we don't get the volume up. There's nothing we can do. I mean, there is something I've been working, you guys know what my efforts of trying to increase BioNano's the knowledge of BioNano of the commoners. I'm trying to increase the amount of people that understand what the technology does. And if we in the aggregate, you're going to get a couple of Dr. Peppers, a couple of Robbies, but mostly you're going to get bulls like us, because it doesn't take a genius to figure out that we got a once in a lifetime opportunity to invest there. Seriously, it does not take a genius. I mean, you can literally just read the too long didn't focus sections here. Like, if you want to read this document, fact check me, look at the sources, good, do it, man. I have all of that for you. I did it on purpose, right? But I also have, if you don't have time to read it all, I have, oh my gosh, it's so long. Too long didn't focus. There you go. And your ape language, if you need an even simpler explanation there. It doesn't take a genius, man. No, we got the 1 minute flip. No. And we're getting rejected again. You got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Lower highs and lower lows, man. That's what we're getting. The Nasdaq needs a break here. Mama Kathy comes in and it's GG. It would be big. It wouldn't be as big as it would have been on, 4 months ago, 3 months ago. Year 2030, BNGO bulls, we're on our way to $5. I think it's the other way around, Dr. Pepper. You haven't done your due diligence. Dr. Pepper, hey, Dr. Pepper, aren't you the one that disappeared after I proved your statement wrong when you quote said I was making stuff up about the single nucleotide variants? And then I literally went on air and found the quote. Isn't that you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, that's what I thought. I mean, this is... So... If you're going to run away from a fight just because you're wrong, and if you're going to insult rather than rebuttal, that's just, that's enough said. That's enough said. And that's what all the bears do. That's what Robbie and Dr. Pepper do best, in my opinion, right? In my opinion, I understand not everyone thinks the same, but I would rather be respectful and, respectful and intelligent rather than, just mindlessly insulting and saying dogmatic stuff like, oh, BioNano's going to 3. Do I say BioNano's going to $100 for sure? No. I always say there's a chance we can get delisted. I always say I can be wrong. Are you kidding me? So that's the difference between the bulls and the bears for BNGO, at least in this community. Nah, Dr. Pepper tastes horrible. Oh, man. I wanted to be here with us to witness BNGO to 500. Nope, the bears. Let me give you a little description of wait, where is it? Damn it! Wait, no, I wanted to see it. No, there was a meme. Where's the? Someone tell me where the BNGO. Where is it? It's way up there. I'm not gonna be able to find it. But anyways, the bear stock card. It's like one of the descriptions is they disappear whenever a stock goes green, and we've seen that. Literally 5 seconds ago, he was saying, "Oh, my puts are looking really nice. My shorts are looking really nice. It's really easy." Goes green, disappears. Now it's red. He comes back. And also, if we end the day green, do you know where Robbie is going to be? You know where Dr. Pepper is going to be? They're not going to be here. So I don't know. I'm going to stop talking about the bears. Anyways, all right. Broader markets. UVXY is still down. So I would not see, based on this stuff and based on the technicals of the Nasdaq. I mean, yes, we have to break out above roughly 13.4, 13.43 or 13.44, probably 430. I would say that's kind of what we need to break to flip. Here, let me tell you exactly what we need to break. Here, let me do this. 13.439. So $439. That's what we need to break right now. We have until we have about 4 hours. About 3 hours. 3 hours and 30 minutes now, I guess. To break that, and then it's going to get a little lower, which is actually going to be good. So if we can stay sideways and the Nasdaq rallies end of the day, we get this flip. That's a buy signal. That is a buy signal. Where's the Supertrend at? It's all the way up there. All right, finish him. Yeah, we are moving on to more important things. Honestly, I think we've already ripped everything the bear. I mean, I already have ripped everything the bears have had to say to shreds. They've attempted to reason with me and tell me why they're bearish, and then I tell them that they're just obviously wrong and tell them why, give them my reasons on stream, and then they don't say anything, which is fine. Great companies. Nano Dimension. Nano Dimension is pushing a little bit. I want to look at the chart for Nano Dimension. This stock, man, let's check the RSI on this one. Probably not looking too bad. Okay, so 39, that's bull. It barely went up. It barely went up from 539. Man, this stock is seeing 539. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Nothing has made this company worse than what it was here, but a lot of this was hype. A lot of this was February 16th level. Look at this crazy run up, too. We were at $1. We were at 50 cents not too long ago, man. A year ago, 50 cents. All the way up almost to $20 a share. Crazy. Microvision not doing too bad. Man, this is why these chart patterns can be deceptive. When you have a really good stock and it has a bearish chart pattern and it breaks to the downside, you got to just get it as low as you can. And that's what I said before we were going to break this this level here. And it turned out to be true. Turned out, wow, that's a very weird price action still. Nonetheless. Okay, wow, Bitcoin is gone. Bitcoin is gone, or at least Mara is. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. No, Bitcoin is doing nothing. So it looks like the Nasdaq is pushing right now? No. Okay, wow. Okay, high growth is Russell 2000 doing something? Yes. Yes, okay, I found it. Russell 2000 is holding very nicely. That is kind of what is pushing Mara higher, I'm guessing. Because I think JMIA followed as well with that. Yes. Short squeeze and Trey's trade working at it. I sent Trey's trades an email. I sent him a long ass email. That was what I was doing yesterday. That's what took my brain cells yesterday, last night. I sent him a long ass email about collaborating. I honestly would be surprised if he said yes, but I gave him my case. It's a really interesting case because BNGO. I know I've got some backlash, and not even backlash, just differing opinions in a respectful manners from the informed, quintessential, person on this community about the whole AMC thing. They don't. A lot of people don't like my idea of turning BioNano into a stock, a meme stock. A lot of people think, oh, it's going to be a meme stock. I have a lot of different arguments about this, and I do think I am right. I still think my original synthesis, I think if we can just band together, and you don't have to do it, of course, do whatever the hell you want, man. But if you want to join our little thing, hodl and add only, no selling until we get $10, $15. The true value of the company's fundamentals, which I would argue at least greater than $10. I think that's something we can all agree on. And basically, it would just be to screw over the market manipulators, and because they have been suppressing the price for too long, and I want to make them think twice next time they want to screw over BioNano. And not only that, I mean, we could increase, and that's not even the big reason. We can increase the interest. So if we can just get some apes on our side, right? So many people are against the apes, right? They think they're stupid, they think they're corrupt, whatever. All right, that's fine. The truth is, if we got them to help, a lot of them, I guarantee you, would actually look at the company a little bit and become interested, and then they would become competent investors like we are. At least I think we are, right? I guess that's for you to decide, right? Dr. Pepper thinks we're retards, right? But I think it's I think that would be awesome. I think that is something we should do. And AMC and BNGO, it's like a really interesting spin of the AMC whole thing, right? Screw the market manipulators, but not because they're not manipulating by the short interest. They're manipulating by a lot of different things that we have talked about, and one of those reasons is neglect of the catalysts, and basically directly inversing the correlation between stock price and good catalysts, right? So stock goes or I don't think I worded that correctly, but if that makes any sense, right? Stock gets a good catalyst, stock goes down, right? That's what happens. Anyways, yeah, that's a nice little rant for you. But yeah, I don't think he's gonna. I don't know. It's too complicated. It's such a long email, and it's, oh god. I put the in short and I summarized it at the top, but I don't think he's even gonna read it all, to be honest with you. But we'll see, man. We'll see. I still need to send an email to Chris saying, yeah, I need to let him know. I guess he already has looked at this document. He probably wouldn't do anything else even if he got it from me, I think. So I don't know. Let's refresh the fintel.io, see if we got anything new here. Nope. Let me do one of these days we're gonna get a new Twitter thing, and I'm gonna be right on top of it one of these days. Is it gonna be now? Nope. No, sir. Discord, is there anything else? All right, BioNano's green again. Let's go. Let's go. Look at JMIA. Look at JMIA go, man. Out of nowhere, too. God, I want more in JMIA stock. I really do. I have a call, right? I only have one share, right? Which is laughable. All the way down at 18, right? That looks so cheap now. Look at how low I got the share. I already took profits way up here. And then I kept my call, though. My call is still good, and I'm still down, actually, on my call. Look at that. I'm down 12% right now. So we'll see, man. We'll see. I want to do some YOLO BNGO calls at some point. I don't know when we will. Man, when should we? When should we? When do I need to shave the beard? I'm going to shave the beard whenever BIOL hits some price. I'm thinking $10. I don't know. It would just be simple to remember. Is Trades working on BNGO? Oh yeah, okay, that's a good Miss Money. Is she that one girl? It is a she, I'm assuming. It's that one girl that does the stocks. The only girl that does stocks, literally, isn't it? I think. I don't know. Is that the one? Yeah, let me know what YouTuber should I email to do a collaboration, some sort of live stream. I don't know. It has to be someone who doesn't ask for likes, and it's like, pause, hit the smash the like button, bro. I can't stand that. But seriously, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Trades, Chris Sane's not going to do a live stream. There's only the, no disrespect to Chris Sane, but only the, I don't know what, you guys know who is live streaming and giving their thoughts, with the risk of fucking up on air, stuttering like I do all the time, and who's not doing that. So, Dr. Pepper, green won't last long. All right, everyone, please understand. Yeah, please ignore him. Yeah, just know that Dr. Pepper is a biased as hell bear. So if you want to take profits now, go ahead. But make your own decision. Don't let Dr. Pepper decide. Don't think that Dr. Pepper knows what he's doing, because Dr. Pepper and Robbie, they were literally saying they were shorting and putting. I swear to God, go look at the streams last week. They were shorting and putting when BIOL was $4.30. They were literally shorting. Chris Sane sucks. Complete scrubs follow him. I'm not biased. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm not Dr. Pepper. I'm not even. Oh my gosh. That's. Oh man. I'm not even going to respond. I want to get pissed off at you right now, but I'm not going to. I do it every other day. If you want to see me get pissed off at bears and scream at them, watch other streams. Today I'm not going to. At least now. I mean, if they say something really aggravating and arrogant, they already have. And I will, but I'm gonna try. It doesn't matter how stupid the things he says. He doesn't deserve attention anymore. Yeah, God. Green won't last long, bro. When did he say that? Like what, 2 minutes ago? Just call both ways, man. Trades, make that video with him, Brandon. What I'm interested in is how we're actually going to do a live stream where I come in on his screen. Like, how the hell does that work? I'm not that technical. I'm just going to have to figure it out. I mean, we've made it this far, right? We'll figure it out. That's kind of my philosophy with the whole recording and audio and video. Just figure it out, man, and work 10 hours a day. That helps a lot, right? Researching crap. What beard? That is the truth, honestly. You can't even see, especially with this crappy camera, right? I mean, it's not a camera, it's my phone. That's how ragtag we are. Yeah, you can't even see the beard. There is no beard. I can't grow a beard, but I'm not gonna I'm gonna let the attempted beard grow out until we get $10, hit $10 a share. So we're at 573 now. We need to break 580. We need to break 580 for some, and hold above that for something really crazy to happen in these next few days. And I will. Did we just get the 4-hourly flip? Oh, we're so close. We're so close. All right, I'm getting excited. I'm gonna start screaming. Turn your volume down. Is there shouldn't be any I don't even know how to, what's the word? I don't know. Anyways, we need to break 13.439, and we're at 14.428. So basically, we need to go 439. We're at 429 right now. $10 more. Nasdaq needs to climb. We got the Supertrend flip on the 1 minute. We need to, are we gonna get rejected again? We've got a double top here. We've got we got rejected so many times here. So many times. We're coming up for a second retest. Actually, we've struggled to break out of the SAR literally 2 other times before this. God, I will add shares on air if we actually break and get that flip to the bullish SAR and hold above it for like, I don't know, at least 10, 15, 30 minutes maybe. Whatever, watch how this closes today. Dr. Pepper, all right, we'll see. I'm not calling that we're going to go green today, Dr. Pepper. I'm not calling that. I'm calling that BioNano is going to do great things in the future. And in 10 years from now, 1 year from now, even 5 months from now, you're going to wish you invested your entire life savings in it. That's my thought. I can be wrong. Do your own research, my friend. You know this. I'm not claiming we're going to be green today. I'm not claiming that whatsoever. I do think it's more likely that we close green. But anyways, because I love seeing BNGO bulls blindly follow this man and continue to get crushed. My friend, oh, that's so bad, man. That's so bad. The fact, all right, I'm gonna get pissed now. I'm about to do a rant. Please click off if you don't want to see me do a rant about a mindless hater. But I'm going to because this is just so goddamn arrogant. All right, bulls blindly following this man. Do you know that our community here, in the aggregate, one of the most well-researched, heavy due diligence communities there is, all right? Here's your proof. The Discord is your proof. The Discord is amazing, okay? Just look at this, all right? You don't even, Dr. Pepper, you cannot even understand these calculations on your best day. You don't even know what's going on. You don't even know the due diligence. So I'm just, yeah, I know. I shouldn't answer him. I know, but it's just, typical leftist hater. We are not crushed, Dr. Pepper. I'm at 500%. Oh, man. All right, we're done with him. We're done with him. I mean, I've already given you the spiel on that, haven't I? I've already given you the spiel. We're done. We're done. I'm only going to ban him if he starts spamming or if it just gets even. I don't know. I'll ban him eventually if it gets even worse. I will. I've only banned one person from the chat live stream. That's only one person has gotten on my nerves that much. And Russell. Dr. Pepper, go to Pepsi. I feel like the Bears are just trying to get a rise out of you. Well, here's the thing. They are, and they're doing a good job usually, but it is points that people do think about, oh, hey, why are we actually invested in this company? So I don't know. I feel like there is some value I can give you in just responding to the arrogant comments, but also it is, giving the pretentious comments the what they want. It's giving them the attention they crave. So I don't know. There's a nice balance there between negative feedback and I don't know. You guys know the spiel about negative feedback. All right, Nasdaq. Oh, we're almost there. We need that flip. God dang, man, this thing is worrying me. This thing is worrying me, man. All the indicators on the 1 minute at least point to a little bit of a more room to run on the 1 minute. Remember, 1 minute is not as indicative as anything as the 5:30 1 hour daily. Okay. Brandon, you are literally a god to these bulls. Okay, all right. That's absolutely awful. If you think I'm a god and people follow me blindly, I recommend you to check out any other YouTube channel where they don't show their portfolio or don't admit their mistakes or don't stream when everything is to shit in the market, all right? That's absolute bullshit what you just said, my friend. Just factually bullshit. I mean, I feel like you're just messing around at this point, but then again, I feel like you're stupid enough to actually believe what you're saying. I feel like you're stupid enough to believe what you're saying. Oh, man. The Bears never cease to amaze me, man. I'm always surprised by what the Bears come up with. Oh, God. The Bears keep it entertaining, don't they? That's one thing for sure. They keep it entertaining. All right, Nasdaq. Bitcoin is kind of cooling off a little bit. Man, Bitcoin is still actually free falling. Mora is cooling off a little bit. Institutional message I sent. All right, where is that? What is that? All right. My eyes don't work and I can barely see this far away. How far up is this? I can't find it. I can't find it, my friend. Just look at how we saw buy-ins at 558 from all these big companies. We're going to see so much more in quarter two due to 4.3 bottom. Oh yeah, there's no doubt. There's no doubt about that. All right. Yeah, no, I'm not even going to. I've already given you the spiel on Dr. Pepper, so I'm not even going to respond to this next awful one. You make up your own decision on if you think I know what the hell I'm doing or if I'm someone you should watch. You make up the decision. Don't let someone else make it up for you. I show my portfolio. I admit my mistakes. That's what I'll promise you. You decide whatever else the hell you want to say. whatever else the hell you want to think. Nasdaq's free falling. God damn, we're getting another rejection. Damn. Let's check the Russell. Everything's kind of moving the same. Everything's moving in the same way. Here, let me... UVXY is still down a significant amount. See, this is why I think we have more room to run. Not only are we fundamentally undervalued, and we don't have a bad technical setup for the Nasdaq right now. I think we do have a cup and handle if we come out a little bit. Yeah, look at the 30-minute chart here. This is actually really sweet. I mean, does this not look like a really picture-perfect cup and handle right here? Wow. I mean, we could definitely be getting a cup and handle, but the thing is, the resistance, this was the SAR a couple days ago, or well, last week, 4 days ago, and now we're getting the SARs a little lower, so the resistance line is not going to be perfect. So it's like, well, do you draw the cup and handle price target from here or here? I like to be conservative always and draw it right here. And if we do that, right, your price target, if the handle is something like this, like it usually is, you're going to be looking at what? You're going to be looking at, well, we're getting perfect congruence with this nice level of resistance here. So, Ahern, my friend, thank you, my friend. That's the price of Dr. Pepper's portfolio. I only watched this because I can see your chart going red. Did you watch the last 2 days? Did you watch when BioNet went up 22%, my friend? Thank you, Ahern, my friend. Thank you so much. Keep up the good job. Thank you. That means a lot, my friend. Seriously. Look at that, 21 SMA on the 1 minute there, getting perfect support on the Nasdaq 1 minute chart. 21 SMA on the 1 minute, struggling to hold above it, but we will see, man. We got to break above what is the level 4.9? Is it 4.9? I think it's 439. Let me see. 439. So 13,439. 439. That's what we got to break above. So right about there. We didn't even touch it. We got rejected before that. Nice. So we got to bring here. Let me put a resistance right there so we don't have to keep doing the calculations here. Just make it simple, Brandon. Ape language. Come on, Brandon. So 439. Right there. All right. Perfect. And then this is the price target based on the cup and handle. If it were to come in fruition, I'm not predicting that yet. That's just Pepper, donate your profits. Yeah, Dr. Pepper, if you're making so much shorting bound, donate it, man. Oh, that's too goddamn funny. I swear to God, I would not have so much fun if it were not for the chat. Oh man. I'm telling you, this dude, he came out of his cave today. Hibernation is over. I know. I swear to God, every day it's the funniest goddamn thing. Every bear, like they never. Dr. Pepper's heard me say this, and Robbie hears me say this. I tell them, call it both ways. Don't show up just on the red days. They still only show up on the red days. It's like, what? You want me to take you serious when you only show up when your predictions are right? Okay. That's why you're pretentious, my friends. If you've been wondering why we call you ostentatious, Dr. Pepper, that is precisely why. And Robbie, for that matter. IWM pushing really well right now. He's got alerts to set up to alert him when BNGO is red. God damn it, you're too funny. Oh my gosh, someone make a Dr. Pepper meme like the bear card meme yesterday. I nearly killed myself. I nearly died laughing on stream because of that. Someone make more memes about the bears. They're too easy. They're too easy and funny to make, man. I love them. They're the best thing ever. All right. Anyways. Oh gosh, I'm having too much fun. All right, so IWM, right? We have another cup and handle here, also a potential double up top, of course. Yeah, blah blah yada yada. Cup and handle, double top. Yeah, which one is going to be? But the Russell 2000 isn't looking too bad. If we actually look at the chart here, look, if you notice this Russell 2000 and the Nasdaq, at least the last 2 days, very similar. I mean, I guess the Russell has been doing better than the Nasdaq, but still, it's pretty damn similar. That's why I always kind of say, honestly, would I rather have the Nasdaq or IWM doing well? A part of me actually says the Nasdaq because IWM is not going to have as much of an effect, I think, on the SPY and the Dow Jones. And you know, we have to face this. Although hypergrowth can do amazing without anything else, if the SPY and Dow go down, they're going to force the Nasdaq down, no doubt. But if the Nasdaq is super high, then they can kind of, you know, instead of coming all the way down to meet the Nasdaq, they can kind of both meet each other, right? Because one up 1%, and the other's up, you know, down 1%. They meet together at even, right? So I don't know. That's a little weird. But yeah, I hope that makes some sort of sense. Here we go. We're going up for another retest, maybe. Here we go, man. We gotta break. We gotta break. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a great stream if we break this resistance right here. It will. It will be. And not even necessarily, it's not, and let me be clear, it's not necessarily super bearish if we don't break and again get the bullish SAR flip, but that's what I'm most worried about with the Nasdaq. All right. He's got an alert set up when the BNGO is red. That's so funny. And you can do that too. You can do that. On Weeble, you can do that. Time to break some resistance. We're pushing. Let me check BIOL. I haven't checked it in a while. Almost 2%. Hell yeah, man. We gotta hold. If we can hold, and I said this yesterday, God, I feel like I'm saying the same damn things. Hold on. JMIA up 6% right now. Holy crap. Hell yes. Hell yes. Mara's doing well too. Everything's doing well. It's because the Nasdaq is holding. I think people are anticipating the Nasdaq breaking out right now. I think that's what people are anticipating. Dr. Pepper, go play Battlefield. I need more easy kills. Oh man. Oh man, the memes are never gonna get old. I love them. Nano Dimension, dude. I told y'all. Did I not just say this is a great buy? I mean, I didn't say. I guess I didn't say that. I shouldn't say that. My quote was, what was the exact quote? I said if this keeps dipping, I'm gonna have to buy some. Because it's got, I mean, it's such a, I mean, let's just look at how oversold we were right here. Okay, we were literally golden. Okay, this is how you know it's a good buy, right? And then Dr. Pepper, they're like, oh, it's been red, short. That means short. No. You have to look at more indicators than the candles. Oh man. Microvision doing pretty well. Skills, MP, everything's moving the same today. Zomedica, there you go. Zomedica is one that's outperforming. There you go. This is one that I always, you guys already know, I always love to say, it's all about Zome. Zome is one that when the markets do well, it's going to outperform the markets typically. If you can get it on a support, it's one of my favorite trades. I haven't traded it in a while, which I do regret, but I mean, you can't really trade it when it's at the lowest because, I mean, it's hard to trade this more than, you know, BNGO because this one is very correlated to the Nasdaq, man. Nasdaq goes up a little bit, this thing will shoot up 10%, 20% in a day. Nasdaq goes down a little bit, this thing will do the exact same in the red. In my experience, I've been following this one for a while. I've been following this one since man, probably at the very start of the run up here. I haven't been invested in it. I did invest in it for a little while. And I have made a lot of money on this. Well, not a lot, a fair amount though, especially with this little run-up right here. Or was it this one? I don't know. Anyways, that's a good trading one. SENS. Okay, there you go. There you go. SENS. Again, man, the good stocks are doing well today. We're finally getting a bounce from the stocks that are undervalued. This is okay. The fundamentals of this company, DD. Take your pick, right? It's very complicated technology, but we've been calling this one out as an undervalued technical play for a while, man. And it's obviously the Nasdaq's going up today. It's rising all boats, but that's doing well, man. BNGO. We need to hold. We need to hold, man. Come on, barcoding. A little bit barcoding going on, I guess. Not really. 560, 570. If we can hold above that, that's a nice level. Hopefully we can turn this to support if we hold above it. Come on, Nasdaq. Oh, it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Man, this is stressful. This is really stressful. I need it to break above 439. Brandon is upset. Dude, I get upset all the time. I get pissed off on the stream. If you think I'm upset now, just wait till you see a bear come on like Dr. Pepper again, say something stupid. I get pissed off all the time. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, someone said, wow, you're really energetic or something. And I was like, dude, I'm chill right now. And I was serious. Dude, I mean, this is like the most chill stream we've had in a while. You all know the market open streams are the most fun and crazy because you never know what the hell you're going to get. I will rant. I will scream. Usually there's something crazy going on in the markets. Today, there's really nothing crazy. I mean, JMIA is doing really well right now. And the crazy thing today for the Nasdaq, I mean, it's for the markets today, is if we're going to get that bullish flip on the 4-hourly SAR, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, which no one uses, by the way. There's a tutorial on how to use the indicator in the Auspicious Technical Analysis playlist on the channel. But it's a really good indicator, and it's the most important one, I think, that we have today. It's the most important thing today. Yes, absolutely. I absolutely believe that. SPY and Dow are down, which is good to know. We want the Russell 2000 first, then the Nasdaq, then the SPY, then the Dow. That's the order that we want for hyper growth. In my experience, you want the Dow to be the worst, then the SPY, then the Nasdaq, then the Russell 2000, and then if that happens, that's great for high growth. Typically, not always. I hope we get a big boost in volume when BNGO and Nasdaq break up, dude. My hope for volume is done. Like, I mean, we're back on normal volume trajectory now. I'm so pissed. I mean, we had a great opportunity, and I'm not mad at you guys. I'm mad at, I don't know what I'm mad at. It's just unfortunate that we weren't able to capitalize on so much volume and, you know, have a, whatever it was going to be, a Reddit thread or a video or a stock twits or anything that's going to sustain the volume that we were getting, you know, 100 million, 50 million yesterday, even 40 million every day. I'll take that. Right now, I don't think we're on trajectory to get 50 million. I think we're on a trajectory like 30, 40 million maybe today. But we'll see. Anything can happen. And it is a shame because the earnings report and the short interest increase and the institutional ownership, 840K shares procured by insiders, and plenty of other catalysts that I'm not remembering right now. I think that justifies a huge volume increase, and we haven't got it. Anyways, the Nasdaq, as I'm going on my rant, of course, it starts pushing. We got a nice green candle bar. Let me pull up the volume on the Nasdaq here because it's just being dumb because there is no volume inherently on the bottom there. All right, here we go. Okay, so there's basically nothing to see here. It's basically the exact same. All right, anyways, here we go. This is it. This is what we've been waiting for the whole stream. If we're going to break above this or get rejected, please break above. Please break above. Here we go. We need to be going up, not down. R2. Come on. Revenge of the Sith. Full Frodo. Come on. Push above 439. Let's go. See, this is what we'd like to see. UVXY, the fear index, is going lower. We love it. It's right at it. Oh my gosh, it's getting rejected. It's getting rejected right now. Oh, here we go. The suit, good luck. The suit is good luck. Let's go. Here we go. I think we just got it if we're going to hold above. Let's see if we got it. Nope, we didn't get it yet. It's at 4.3. It's at 440 now. Wow, it moved up one. Nice. That's cheat. It moved up to 440. Damn. That is horrible. All right, I got to move this up now. Wow, man. Let me move that right there. That is horrible. We're about to get rejected here, aren't we? Damn, I'm so pessimistic inherently. Here we go. 441. We need to hold. There it is. Let's make sure. No, what? It seems it keeps going up. Oh my gosh, the SAR keeps moving so much. Are you kidding me? Look at this, just moved up to 4. What the hell? All right, let's just watch this. Let me just get rid of this so we can watch the SAR because it keeps moving up. Oh, I'm so pissed. It keeps moving up. Oh my gosh. Nasdaq keeps pushing though. Oh man, it's at. Oh, come on. How can I short CNN? All right, we're about to get that flip. Hopefully, we should be getting that flip. We're at 1445. 444 is what the SAR is at. We're at 445 right now. Oh, it keeps moving up. You got to be kidding me. Come on. It can't move up any further. Come on. The SAR cannot increase. It cannot increase. No. It's going to flip. It's going to flip here in 1 second. Oh, come on, man. Come on. What causes the SAR to move up in this case? It's because oh God, it's complicated. I'm not good at explaining how the indicators work, but basically it takes into account all of the price action in the on the 4-hourly candles. And since the price action is going up, it's going to go up a little bit to mirror it a little bit. But yeah, we are about to break it though. I promise you, if the Nasdaq keeps rising or holds this, it will flip. I promise you. Man, come on. The SAR keeps fucking us over. Come on, it keeps going up. It just keeps rising up. Here's why I know it's going to go. Here's how I know we're going to get the flip. If you look back here, right, the SAR never goes up on the red, and the green, it never goes down, right? So whatever your indicator is, if it's green, it's going to keep going up. If it's red, it's going to keep going down. And right now, it actually has, so it can't go higher than 454. So 54, I guess technically 54 is what we would need to break, technically, based on that. So 54 is where the SAR cannot increase at all, because technically the SAR has to decrease or flip at every different new candle, right? So yeah, technically 54. Damn, man, that sucks. Oh, we're about to get rejected here. No, we're about to get rejected. I have a bad feeling. I'm confident in the Nasdaq, and I'm confident in the technicals and the fundamentals, but I'm not confident in what the investors think of the short-term traders. They are just so damn stupid. Sometimes, man. Sometimes. Mara's up 2%. RIOT's up 6%. That is not good. It's not good. Mara is going to outperform RIOT, I think, in the long run. There's no doubt they're going to have way more miners. They're going to be tethered to Bitcoin more. Like, I don't know why so many people are just neglect Mara and think it's the RIOT's the only way. Like, I disagree. And also, they're doing that. They're doing the DMC whatever pool. They're doing a fully compliant and clean mining pool, which RIOT, I believe, they don't really have those. No one actually, they said it was the first one that with all the little specifications they list in that article that I keep bringing up in the Mara videos. Looking at the genomic sector here, Illumina, PacBio, man, God, PacBio. Everyone's short PacBio right now. Oh man. Look at this thing, $2 a share. This thing needs to die. We need to kill Illumina, or kill Illumina, honestly, and PacBio, honestly. But anyways, yeah, BioNano is underperforming, literally underperforming everyone in its sector today. Very, very weird. But it happens, man. It happens. We outperformed the last 2 days, right? So it's like, well, cool off day maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, this is basically barcoding at this point. This isn't like Zomedica barcoding. Here, let me show you what real barcoding looks like. Here, let me come over here. Okay, this is what real barcoding is, right? This right here. Zome always barcodes. There's so much manipulation happening in this one. BioNano is kind of barcoding. All right, let me check Fintel.io. Let me update it, and let me update the economic calendar, see if we have anything new crazy to look forward to. Let's see what events they added in. Like, sneakily added a JP conference today. Oh, God, that would suck. Yes, sir. Illumina was once BNGO's price. Yes, sir. The only regret you're going to have is that you didn't buy more. I like Wolf of Wall Street, but I think it's actually super overrated, and I hate the message of the movie. It's literally just straight manipulation, which of course, yes, back then it was manipulation, and there still is manipulation, but it's nothing like that was. Holy shit. I mean, that was just insane back there. But anyways, no, okay, so there is no update on that. Let me check. Here, let me look at the news tab for BioNano. I don't think we have anything. No. Hey, make sure you guys are let me know if there's any news, any big news for BioNano that you're seeing. Rocket ships. 570, man. 570, we're almost at 580. We're almost there. For the Nasdaq, let's see what we're doing. The Nasdaq, come on. Oh, it's holding. It's holding. It's good. It's great that it's holding. It's consolidating, right? The more we touch that level, the more likely it is to break. So we're looking good. The price action has been very bullish today, and I've been calling this, right? We said earlier, I mean, who knows if we're going to end the day green? Okay, anyone can be right. Anyone can be proved wrong in the long term, of course. But today, I said I was slightly more bullish on the Nasdaq, and I'm still more slightly more bullish on the Nasdaq. Rest of the week, absolutely. Here we go. This is it. Are we going to get that flip? Or is it going to keep moving up? So here we go. It keeps moving up, but the max that it can go, 454 is the max that the SAR can move up to, and we are now at 451. It can only move up $3 more, so the Nasdaq just needs a little bit more, man. Oh man. Oh God. Almost there. Oh, we're still getting rejected. I think it's more likely that we break this. I think it's time to break this. But of course, anything can happen. And of course, the Nasdaq short term is, it's not a high probability prediction for me, at least. I mean, plenty of people think they are more really accurate at predicting the Nasdaq short term. But dude, in these times, it's literally just what are the whales going to do? Let's be honest. Whales control most of everything, as far as the Nasdaq at least. And BioNano stock price, remember, retail investors control more than 70% of the float for BioNano. So, but the Nasdaq, whales, their little early reports on what inflation is going to be and what JP is going to do, they are going to have an advantage. They're going to sell out or push it, and it's up to them, basically. But at the same time, I'm more bullish. I'm more bullish short term. So Havana, you think we're going to be higher than 580 by 10:30 Eastern time, 6 by noon. Okay. I was confused there for a second. Okay, 6 by noon. Okay, so 6 by noon Eastern time. So basically 9:30 Central time. So basically in 7 minutes, we're going to be more than 580, you think? Okay. All right. I think we will. If I'll tell you what, I 100% agree, and I think I'll do you one better. I think we're gonna get to 6 higher if the Nasdaq does what I want it to do, which is just get that 4-hourly SAR flip. But yeah, Havana. Okay, we got the prediction from my man Havana, the legend himself. In 7 minutes, he thinks we're going to be, or 6 minutes, more than 580. BioNano. How long are you thinking of holding BNGO? That's a great question. I'm thinking of holding it for fucking 20 years. I'm serious. I'm thinking of, or maybe not 20, but like 5, 2 years, 1 year. For the capital gain benefit, with this amount of shares that I have, now I'm not gonna lie, there is a part of me that really wants us to dip to like 430 again, but I really also don't want to have to deal with all the shit that would incur. Because yes, block out the haters. Yes, well, yeah, block it out the haters, right? yes, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I love negative feedback. I try to be fair. But anyways, y'all know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, I will be adding shares if we dip more, and I will be holding this a long time, especially if a couple people were really supportive of my whole AMC thing. Where's the Reddit thread here? Let me get the Reddit thread pulled up. The whole AMC market manipulation, screw over the market manipulators, hodl and add only until $10, which is easily BioNano's true value. I believe it's actually more than that, objectively, regardless of what high growth or the Nasdaq or IWM is doing. Here it is. Here's the post. It actually got a lot of views for once. Some people were supportive, some people were not. I'm in this, man. If y'all, some people said I'm gonna keep updating y'all on this. So I'm holding. As of now, I'm holding all my shares. I can't sell. I'm not selling anything, and I show my portfolio every day. Here's my amount of shares right here. I show my portfolio right here. There you go. Boom, bang, bang. So yeah, I'm in it, man. I'm in it. I'm in it to screw the market manipulators and return BioNanos to its true value. Not only because this is a great company, but because of the company's goals and their cause. It's such a moral damn cause. Let's give the company what it needs to save lives and revolutionize healthcare for everyone. Better life expectancy, better quality of life for everyone. We're talking about testing every baby before they are born to realize what they're going to be more susceptible to diagnose them, or not diagnose them, but give them stuff that they can do. Preventative care, right? Okay, eat more of this. You need more of this vitamin to decrease your risk of skin cancer, or whatever the hell it is, right? I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, okay? I'm just giving you an example of what it would be. Look at that volume, man. What volume, Brandon? There's not much volume. I mean, what have we got? Not even 10 million yet? Oh my God, we have no volume. Yeah, it's a GG on the dude. I seriously give up on the volume. God damn, the only way the volume goes up if this channel like literally becomes trades in size. That's the only way. That's the only way. There's nothing else I can do. I've done the Reddit threads. I've done the social media. Brennan, my friend on Brennan. What should I call him? Brennan or yeah, I'll just call him Brennan. Messenger Moistville on Twitter, or Messenger Moistville. Him doing the stock twist thing, man. There's nothing else we can do. There's nothing else we can do to get the word out for BNGO. It's up to it's up in the air to other forces at this point. So, yeah. JMIA still holding very well, but we're at a nice level of resistance here. So, very scary for JMIA here. Very scary. Mara's doing very well. Will I take profits on Mara? The century question. We're up 14% on our swing trade from yesterday. I don't know. I'm going to decide later. I need to think about it more, man. But it's going to depend on the Nasdaq. Oh, here it is. Yes, we did it, but it needs to hold. All right, we're going to do live trading. How much buying power do I have now? I have like 1,500. All right, we're going to do live trading. Hell yes. Congratulations to anyone who has watched the whole video. That alone is a feat by itself, watching me stutter and get pissed off by the bears, right? And just make fun of the bears. That is a feat by itself, but this is what you waited for. If we can hold this, if we can hold this, I don't know, if we can hold this for 5-10 minutes, even less than that maybe. If we can hold that, because sometimes they will flip back and forth. Sometimes, so you have to be careful. It's much more surefire if you wait till the second one comes in, because the chances of getting like a false signal once you get that second one go way down for the SAR. Yep, it just flipped in the 4-hourly. Yes, sir. Nasdaq is in bullish territory, boys. Yeah, BNGO is going to hit 580 in my opinion now. 100%. Did it already hit? Almost, yeah, it's gonna hit 580. I think. I think if we're gonna break 580, this is the day. This is the day that we break 580 because we've got the Nasdaq, we've got the IWM, we've got the catalysts. We don't have the volume though. We don't have the interest, which is what I've tried so hard to do the last few days. I'm just gonna stream perpetually. I'm just gonna keep streaming like forever until I fall out of my chair. That's the only way we can get more BNGO viewers and BNGO volume and interest investors. That's the only way. Oh man. Oh gosh. Possible cup and handle on the 4-hourly for the Nasdaq, or okay, so you're talking about the Nasdaq here. Here you go, BNGO 581. All right, we're gonna get back to that in 1 second. Let me talk about that though, because that's important. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Well, on the daily as well. There's a cup and handle everywhere potentially, but here's the thing: it's way more potential cup and handle than handle, right? We only have 1/3 of it left, so. On the 30-minute, there's more of a cup and handle right here. And we already drew up the price target here. Let me draw the price target again. I actually deleted this when we were looking at the SAR because it was like, you know, it was annoying. I'm going to draw pretty conservatively, and I'm going to do it right about there. Technically, we should go up a little bit right there. Yeah, well, technically, it should be right there. But I'm going to leave it right there to be extra conservative. Okay, so the price target is not at a perfect level of congruence with anything, but still, it is going to be 13.6K. Let's check bingo. 582, man. This is it. Oh my God. Where is what's his name? Dr. Pepper. I feel sorry for those people who shorted this. There is forever. I'm just gonna brag really quick because I know I'm giving the bears attention, but it's too goddamn funny. They do it every day and they never admit when they're wrong. They never even show up. They just disappear. Robbie literally said it was the easiest thing to short. He said his shorts were printing or whatever. His puts were printing in the morning when we were red. Imagine taking up a short position here or here or here right now. Imagine that. It would suck to be a bear. It would suck to be a bear. God damn, man. It would suck ass. All right, so 582, man. We need to hold. We need to hold. We have a lot of green volume, but we don't have any volume. We don't have any volume. What do we have? 6 million? God, that's the number one thing that's killing us right now. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not horrible volume. It's just not good. It's not good. Compared to what we need, compared to what we could have, it's not good. Wow, Riot up 8%, doubling Mara. Wow, this is, dude, I'm telling you guys, I swear to God, Mara, I don't see any reason why Riot is going to be better than Mara long term. Mara is going to, they fluctuate all the time. I know they fluctuate all the time, back and forth, but that is, I think I'm very strong in that. Microvision up 7%, Nano's mentioned, high growth is done. See, everything's been consistently climbing. Nasdaq just broke. Let me see here. Let me see if we're still holding. I assume we are. Yes, we are. We're still pushing. Yeah, you see, right when we got that push, right when we got that break, the SAR, we start going. Hell yes. That's exactly what the indicator is for, man. That's exactly what it attempts to do. Hell yes. Next resistance level, we don't really have. And we broke over the 20. I didn't even talk about that. Wow, I forgot to say that. We talked about that in another stream yesterday or sometime, I remember. We were talking about the 21 SMA at a perfect congruence with the SAR, and we got that flip, man. That's extremely bullish. So if we hold where we are, if the Nasdaq can hold above, I mean, $13,450, $450. If we can hold above that, it's done, man. It's done. Explain how a short seller hurts the stop price. Basically, they will. It's a very complicated little thing. I recommend you just look up the definition or a video for it, actually. But basically, it involves lending shares, and basically, it is actually very bullish that basically for BioNano, the short interest, right? It has increased by 2.5 million shares in the last day, which is actually more bullish, believe it or not, because yes, more shorts are attracted to it. Yes, more shorts are going to be inclined to maybe short it when it gets high. But at the same time, and this is what we're seeing right now, these shorts are covering. The days to cover actually went down, and this basically just means the days that these shorts on average in the aggregate have to get rid of their position. And once you buy back your shares, cover, right? It means buying back your shares, preferably at a lower price, maybe at a higher price, causing a potential squeeze. The days to cover went down from 15th of April. So, and this is the last report. Of course, this is way outdated, but still, this is the best information we have, right? And I think there are some services out there that give you some really nice short interest and short and bear put information. I can pay for those at some point. And also Fintel.io, I can upgrade to Fintel.io a premium one of these days. Once the channel is solidified, I don't know. We're gonna get 1,000 upgrades when the channel starts doing well. I swear to God, the video quality, the audio, everything is gonna be perfect once we do that. I mean, if I had a competent laptop, that would help a ton. Anyways, BioNano is struggling to hold above 580. Let's see that level 2 data. Oh God. Oh God, that is scary. The Bears, this almost never happens. The Bears are doubling BioNano's this doesn't mean much. Please, when BioNano was climbing, going up like 100% every day back in the good old days, right? Not 100%, but 30% every day for like 5 days straight. The bulls were still, it was still just like this. The level 2 data, the Bears have an advantage though. So, and of course, many of these could be fake walls. Many of these are fake walls. Okay, fake walls are everywhere. Have you seen Dr. Pepper and Robbie at the same place at the same time? Nope. That same account. Oh, they have denied it. Dr. Pepper has denied that, but who knows? Who knows, man? It's just so funny how they just disappear. And they don't even try. They don't even try to deny that they disappear. They just accept it that they disappear every time that they're wrong, which is amazing. Which is amazing. It just makes all their claims less valid. You already know they're a troll and they don't know what the hell they're talking about if they're not man enough to, admit their mistakes and be here and call both ways whenever they're wrong. It's just the truth, I think. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. This is this is how we want the chart every day. The Nasdaq beating the shit out of the SPY and then Dow. Just screw the Dow and the S&P. We want the Nasdaq moon, IWM moon, high growth moon. Screw everything else. We want to set the rotation back into high growth. Who is Robbie? He's been nowhere. All the new viewers, I feel bad. The inside jokes are great for the people who were there, but Robbie is never bearish anymore because he's too scared to be wrong because he's never here anymore. He's been wrong. So but Robbie is a person that basically called the BioNano stop price to be $3 per share at May 21st, on May 21st. When he was saying that, the BioNano was like $4. I was adding everyone's faith in me was way lower. I mean, literally, I can't help it. Okay, I'm a bull on BioNano. When BioNano goes up, people love me. When BioNano goes down, people hate me. Literally, that's just how it is. I wish people would look a little further and think about, hey, this guy is a bull long term. If it goes down, I mean, we're not even going to know if this guy is right until, a while, most likely. Because most of this stuff that we're talking about here, the financials, this is one way you can gauge how smart I am, how the financials do. If we are on the way to profitability in a few years or even Q4 EPS positive, that's how you gauge me. This is my stuff, the financial revenue. This is why I'm so damn bullish on BioNano, the product and what is likely to happen in the future. We've already done the calculations. Okay, we're missing. Every time I go on a rant, BioNano starts running. All right, here we go. Almost about to test 590. Let's see how that level 2 data is looking for the $6 wall. Yeah, the $6 wall is going to be insane, man. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. They need not be here if you give them attention when they are not. Yep, intraday high. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fully in the green at 576. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations to anyone who has been averaging down in these last few weeks. Goddamn, man. Literally, some of these shares that I'm holding right now are from $10. I was averaging up. My first time I invested in BioNano, technically the first time was when it was a penny stock. First seriously invested at $5 and then again at $10. Held through most of my shares. And then since I literally like 10x'd my position on the way down, I'm green now. What am I green? Like 2-3% now? 4%. We're in the green 4% now for BioNano, man. I love it. I love it. That shows you what due diligence and conviction can do. And that's what all of you are doing as well. 589, man. Hell yes. Hell yes, man. Nasdaq is holding, man. Hopefully Nasdaq doesn't shit itself. That's the only thing. Robbie is here on his bull account slobby. Gosh dang, man. Less than $1 and I'll finally break even. Also, Brandon, I have a question up there. Sorry, my friend. I'm sorry for not missing. I try to get to all the comments. I do miss some of them. Will rising consumer prices and when inflation kicks in, will it destroy the Nasdaq? I understand we've known about inflation, but what about when the effects kick in? I've been meaning to do a video on the market crash and inflation crap that's been going on. There is a chance that the Nasdaq gets hit really hard because of even decent inflation. And there's a ton of different great videos on what inflation is likely to look at and be. For me, I don't really have an insanely strong take right now, but I will say this. I'll say this. This is what I believe. It's very unlikely that inflation is crazy enough or that the reaction is going to be crazy enough to send us into a bear market for the next few months / even weeks. Maybe a correction, maybe a dip. Probably not something crazy. That's what I think. I mean, how much of it is already priced in? Probably a lot of it. How much of the correction that we're in right now and getting out of right now is because of those inflation fears? A lot of it, I would argue. That's one way you explain the irrationality of the market, which sometimes the market isn't as irrational as people claim. Sometimes, a lot of times, there's a reason for going to all-time highs to testing way down at the ascending level. A lot of times there is, sometimes not. Robbie loves BNGO. Y'all know if he knows it. Wouldn't it be so great if Robbie flipped bullish? I wouldn't be surprised with you. Well, I would, because I wouldn't. The dollar is the only thing stopping it. Yeah, the dollar. Let me see the dollar here. Where do I have it? Yeah, it keeps going down. But as the dollar value kind of goes down, one thing that's going to go up is Bitcoin. Most likely. Historically, that's what has happened. Bitcoin goes up when the dollar goes down, my friends. And the dollar is going down for a while. I guess not that long. Well, since what? Since 2017, since the printers have started coming in. The printers, the burr, and the printers don't stop. The printers are still going. The burring never ends. Oh, it's too funny, man. It's too funny. 7%. JMIA up 7%, man. Love it. MAR at 3%. Not really doing much with the Nasdaq and the high growth doing well. Let me check the IWM, see what we're doing there. Doing well. What was the chart pattern yesterday that we called out for the IWM? So we had an ascending triangle here, and then we broke out. That's technically a bearish triangle. Well, it's both. It's technically bearish. It can be bullish many times though. Anyways. Ooh, we have an ascending wedge here. We have an ascending wedge, I think. Shit. It's not that validated though. Okay, I like that it's not that validated. This is an ascending wedge though, but we have a little bit of room to go. So that's good. That's good. But yeah, this is a bearish chart pattern. But here's the thing: when you're forming higher highs and higher lows, it's hard not to be in an ascending wedge. So it's like, really, are you really going to think it's bearish? So I don't know. We'll keep that on there for now. I want to bring to your attention all the possibilities, right? And if we look at the Nasdaq here, guys, we still have plenty of room to go. By the way, we're still way undervalued, fundamentally short term in my mind. Of course, inflation and JP are going to determine what it's going to be midterm, I would say, in my definition of midterm. But I'm back after a while, and it's really good to have these suit powers. Honestly, I have to wear the suit every day now. I have to, because it's literally I've worn it 3 times, I believe, and every time it's been amazing. BioNano's up like 5%, Nasdaq's up, everything's up. Oh man, Dr. Pepper, ouch. Whatever we all know, this is a pump. Well, Dr. Pepper, congratulations. I respect that you are able to come in here, and although you're not admitting your wrongs, you're at least willing to take the, willing to be here when you're literally absolutely god awful wrong. If anyone listened to you, they would have lost a lot of money, and I'm sure you did as well. But thank you. It's respectful, and it's honorable that you're still here. So I respect that. I'll focus on the good. I'll focus on the positive of Dr. Pepper, which is very hard to. Let's check on the Discord. Do we have anything here? Good. Patriots Pub, man. Thank you so much. Patriots Pub, if you're out there, thank you so much. Yes, I will do that. That's a good reminder. All right. Let me check the news. Let me check Fentel.io. I'm telling you, man, the institutions have been crazy, and we have not got any increase today besides that one institution, I believe. Yeah, on the 18th. I wouldn't be surprised. Here's the thing. Institutional ownership is likely to keep increasing steadily. Maybe not steadily, right? But in a rocky, rough uptrend kind of way, if that makes sense. You should sleep in the suit. You always keep it on. Oh, man. Yo, I love all y'all, man. Anyways, yeah, I was going to say the institutional ownership, it's as BioNano, if I am right whatsoever in my BioNano claims long-term, it is going to, Dr. Pepper, we're going back down to $3. Huh? All right, that's a good prediction. Thank you for making your prediction. We'll see how it fares. Anyways, God damn, I get distracted so easily when I look at the chat. institutional ownership, it's going to increase as my synthesis is proved right. If it is, I'm not dogmatic. I'm not like Dr. Pepper and going to claim, oh, we're going to go to $15, no doubt. No, there's a possibility that the CEO gets shot in the head, or the product is not as good as we think it is, or whatever the hell, whatever bear case you want to say, right? Robbie, hell, I think Robbie or Dr. Pepper is going to assassinate the CEO one of these days. I swear to God, that's the only way. We're going to $3, my friends. I swear to God. Anyways, institutional ownership, it's going to increase over the long term, but these next few days, I don't actually think that it's necessarily going to as much as as we're used to. Institutions adding millions of shares based on the file date here, because we are now in quarter 2 transactions for the 13Fs. The quarter 1 transactions just ended 45 days after the first quarter is done, so all of the quarter 1 transactions are in. They're required to be in by the SEC. Now these are going to be quarter 2. I hope that makes sense. Okay, Bionano bleeding. We need to hold 570 or 580 preferably. Broke through 580 pretty nicely, which is very not what I want to see, but we'll see what happens. Yep, Nasdaq takes a small dump after a big run, and then everything kind of overreacts. That's kind of a pattern that I noticed. That happens a lot. Do you have an institutional percentage target or goal? No, I don't really. I don't honestly really do it. I don't really have a goal for the institutional ownership. I don't have a goal. I'll say that if we have a positive quarter 4 EPS, that by quarter 1 of 2022, when all the 13Fs are in for the transactions during the quarter that we were positive in, it will be over 30% institutional or 40%, I would say, because that's what the institutions are waiting on. They're waiting on stable growth. They're waiting on safety, which is most of that is just revenue. They just want the company to be profitable. They want to see proof of concept, and that's the easiest way to judge all of that stuff is the revenue. It's so simple, and that's what the institutions do, man. In my opinion. That's exactly what my whole institutional ownership synthesis is. I said low institutional ownership is actually a good thing, specifically because if the earnings are good like I projected, these numbers are going to go way up, and obviously I was exactly right on that. When did I make this? I made this like in April, mid-April, early April. Because obviously look at the institutional ownership, so yeah, I think this is actually a good thing because it's likely to increase as we get more stable growth, safety over potential. So yeah, you guys have heard the spiel. I won't talk any more about that. There we go. Nasdaq is bouncing. Hell yes. That's really bullish. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Yep. See, every time I told you, when the Nasdaq is going up a ton and then it has a little bit of a dump, it's like, oh, we're pumping and dumping, no sell out, stop loss. And then when the Nasdaq shows any life again, it's like, boom, we're back up to where we were firstly. And that's almost exactly what just happened. Kyle S. Thank you, my friend. Legendary. Did you see the article? What are you talking about? Send me the article. Is there an article that I'm missing? I told you guys, send me the news of Bionano that is today. Because there is no news today besides, was there one article that we looked at, I think? I think there was one. Oh yeah, there was one, and it was literally just the it was just the financial results. Oh man, that's funny. They're like 5. How late are they? They're like 5 days late. I don't know if there's some opinions in there. Maybe there is, but and people with a stock with like BNGO, you have to wait, and people like him aren't willing to agree. Agree, my friend. What should I call you? By the way, HXSAR. What should I call you? I can't call you that name. You're always here. I need a name for you, my friend. What can I call you? Yeah, which one? Which article? Yeah, exact. Say, Marcus, send me the. I saw a comment of yours. Send me the options one. It's not on the Webull tab, or it's not on the Webull News tab, or in the. It's not on anything. So send me that if there's an article. If there's important articles that are not stupid and are actually some sort of important information that are not just, oh, here's the PE ratio, here's what they made last year. No, if there's actually opinions in it or new information, send me those. Send me them in the Discord. That's probably the easiest way for you to send me it. Just send me them in BNGO. Just at me, right? Just do the at me, at Auspicious Descent. Mark. Okay, Mark. Okay, I'll try to remember that. Don't get mad at me if I forget that, my friend. I might forget that. Mark my mark. HXR is Mark. All right. Hassar is probably a good name. Hassar. What am I missing? Let's go to the price action. 581. We got to hold, man. We got to hold. I'm the same Mark that wrote the BNGO to 184. It took me 1 second to get that, but I understand. Yeah, remember that article, boys? The article. Oh, share dilution. We're going to get share dilution. We're going to get 5 more offerings, and it's going to send the stock to 184. That's what the guy said. The Mark Hake was his last name. Oh, God, that was too funny. Watch that video if you did it. It's pretty funny. I really enjoyed making that one. Hexar. Okay. I can, if I forget Mark, I made, yeah, Hexar, that's not bad. I see a very consistent and steady uptrend in the Nasdaq since yesterday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So that's gonna be 1 o'clock Central time. Okay, here. Wait, let me make sure something real quick. Hold on, I want to make sure something about the time zone on Webull that I have. Okay. Okay, so Webull is actually Eastern time. So Webull actually goes by Eastern time. Okay, so let me check that out. Webull goes by Eastern time. All right. Let me see. Let me look at the 30-minute chart here. Since 2 p.m. Eastern time yesterday. All right. So right about what? Right about... okay, so right about somewhere in here. Yes, there is. Okay, so it's pretty. If I was looking at the chart, I would have saw it. Yeah, so this is a cup and handle. This is a cup and handle potentially, and we didn't even get a handle though. That's the thing. Like there is no handle whatsoever. I mean, if we look at the 5-minute, there is a little bit of one right here, kind of. So it's like, so I don't know. This price target isn't the most accurate. So we'll have to see, but the Nasdaq is making new highs. Nasdaq is making higher highs and higher lows. And let me draw up an ascending support here. You know what? Because we probably can connect at least something. Let me draw this up. It's not going to be perfectly validated, but something like this, right? That's kind of what the Nasdaq has been following. That's the higher lows that we've been making. We need big volume tomorrow. Let's spam me, Kevin. Oh man, I've tried everything. I don't think that's honestly that wise. Kevin, even if we did spam him and he saw it, the idea that he would even skim or read any of this document is very unlikely. And even if he did do that, you think Kevin is going to change his opinion on that? I don't know. He should if he's smart, honestly, because I guarantee you, Kevin, or any of the big YouTubers don't know half as much as that's included in this document. But yeah, I don't think that's going to work. We need high volume, man. That's the number one way to sustain BioNano right now. I guarantee you. Man. We're not seeing any volume. We're on average volume trajectory. I mean, we're barely going to meet the average 3 month. We're barely going to beat the 3-month average, which is absolutely awful, by the way. So that's what makes me scared about BioNano right now. But we don't necessarily need big volume to go to $20. I mean, I'm not saying we're going to go to 20, but you get my point, right? We don't need it, but it would really help out a lot. It really would. Kevin is a Tesla fanatic. Yes, I do know that. I'm feeling the break might last till 11 Eastern time. I think you're Eastern time. So 10. So 10 more minutes. Is that what you mean, Havana, my friend? We need some more BNGO memes. I know, right? Oh yeah. By the way, BNGO memes. Let me go ahead and do that. Well, I guess I'll do this at the end here. But there's a YouTube video about BioNano escaping delisting, and it's the funniest. This is even more funny than the bear card meme about Robbie or Dr. Pepper. Literally one of the funniest. It's so well edited too. This guy did such a great job at editing it. Someone please make more BNGO memes. That's the number one thing we need. That's the number one thing. That's actually how you increase the interest, right? I'll post the memes on Wall Street Bets, but actually, funny story, not funny. This is actually a really sad and really, really dark story that this is actually going on. Wall Street Bets, apparently, according to the guy who posted this, right? I was talking with him. He posted this on Wall Street Bets. I told him to post it on Wall Street Bets. He did. The moderators removed it. And the moderators of the BNGO subreddit, they got together, tried to reach out to the Wall Street Bets mods, trying to tell them what's up, trying to ask if they could post it. They still removed it. What does that tell you, Brandon? What does that mean? They're just removing. That doesn't mean anything. That means that the Wall Street Bet mods are selectively choosing what stocks to allow to get pumped, basically. That's basically what it means, because these memes would literally pump stocks. I guarantee you this meme would go insane on Wall Street Bets. I guarantee you. I would make sure of that. I mean, at least to the best of my ability, because it's goddamn amazing. Anyways, yeah, you know what? Here, I'll link this in the description at the end here, or in the chat at the end. Remind me to do that if I forget. Let's refresh this. I doubt there's anything new, but let's refresh it anyway. All right. Down 2 million in volume this time yesterday. Yep. I knew when we had that 100 million volume day, I knew that we needed to sustain it. I knew if we would be great. And we've sustained it kind of. I mean, yesterday was great, right? We 50 million. If we can average 50 million, I'll be happy, at least for the time being, foreseeable future. But we're going. The only reason we have this much volume right now is honestly because we're going up, honestly. Or is the volume the reason why we're going up? It's like, well, a little bit of both probably. Are you doing one of those jacket tie with no pants deals? Yes, I have no pants on. I never wear dress pants when I wear the suit. No way, my friend. No way. That's not right. I don't know. I'm the Zoom guy. That's the Zoom commercial when you wake up, when he goes up and he's wearing underwear. I mean, I got shorts on, but I'm not wearing dress pants. Hell no. You think I'm wearing dress pants in my own house? Hell, I'm wearing a suit in my own house, so I guess you could assume that. We got to break the base over $7, and it's forming. We need to hold above 580. That's what we need to do. We're not holding right now, though. Let's check everything else. So Mara is bleeding. JMIA is bleeding a little bit. Everything is going down right now. Did the Nasdaq just take a big hit? Let me see here. Not really. I mean, well, we did break the S&D level. That's bearish. But yeah, the Nasdaq is cooling down a little bit, but it's still making a higher low as of now. That's the catalyst we're missing, though. That's the catalyst for BNGO we're missing is me wearing dress pants. That's funny. That's funny, man. Is Dr. Pepper still around after BNGO broke 570? He talked briefly. He said something. He said we're going to $3. He said BioDam is going to $3. That's what he said. I think he's just trolling at this point with that comment. At least with that comment. Anyways. We're going to send you dollars for the pants. I'm not going to wear them. Don't do it. Don't do it, my friend. No, man, no. Oh, just watch that vid. So good. We need that to stay on Wall Street Bets. I know we do. They already posted it. They already tried, and they're going to keep removing it. Also, fun fact, if we go to my Reddit profile here, the Reddit due diligence, right? The BNGO full DD. Let me see. Where did I post this? Where is it? It's way down here. All right, here it is. I'm going to pin this so I don't forget again. But anyways, basically, when I posted this on Wall Street Bets, they tried to remove my follow-up post. And my follow-up post was like, okay, here's the plan. Here's the AMC type move that we're going to try to pull up. They removed it. They removed all that shit because they are selectively true. The mods at Wall Street Bets, although they're claiming to fight corruption, which I think they kind of are, they are corrupt themselves. They are censoring the people who they don't agree with. You know, they're not letting people post their the due diligence of another company that they don't like. They're not letting that. Don't take off the suit until BNGO hits 25. I'll try, my friend. How about that? Brandon, go to Goodwill and get pants. No, man, no, we can't. Oh, man, come on. I don't want to wear the pants. Oh, I don't know if it... All right, let's check the price action, man. Nasdaq is recovering a little bit. Higher high for Nasdaq for the Nasdaq and IWM barely. BNGO, man, if we can close about 570, that's the goal for today. That would be great. I'm going to turn this as the new support because I do think we have confirmed the breakout above this. I would say that's a confirmed breakout. Don't shave until BNGO hits $25. I can't grow a beard. Honestly, there's probably not going to be much difference. Honestly, I can't grow much more than this. But I can try. I thought we were going to do $10. I can do 25. I can do that. 25, don't shave until BNGO hits 25. I can do that. But on the poll, most people said shave it. So I don't know. Maybe we should do $10 and then shave. Don't shave until... Oh, Zip Trader always wears it. Zip Trader and me wear the same. Isn't this the exact same thing that Zip Trader wears almost? No tie. You can't wear a tie. You're just a boomer if you wear a tie, right? Nothing wrong with being a boomer, but you can't wear a tie. No, a tie is more professional, of course, but no, man. Stonks only go up without ties. With ties and pants, stonks only go down. 571 is strong support and resistance, both low. 571 is strong support and resistance, both. Well, it is. It technically is. Yeah. Well, 571. I would say more in the past. Yeah, I would say five. Yeah, that area is definitely resistance. Yeah, roughly. I'm temporarily a boomer during presentation in school. No tie, please. No, I don't want to do the tie. I will not do the tie unless everyone wants it, and even then I probably won't. I try my best to do what y'all want and take all your ideas. I always listen to the ideas and hear it out. But, some of them I can't do. And I don't want to do the tie. I don't think I'm going to do the tie as of now. No way. I don't want to do the tie. That $6 wall will be challenging to break. Hopefully we can this week. You know what would break that, my friend? Mark, my friend? Volume, that's what would break it. But we don't have any volume because Wall Street Bets is screwing us over and my videos don't get any views. That's essentially none of the and okay, I love the other BNGO YouTubers, and if their channels blew up, that would be good for BNGO probably. But I think it would be even better if this channel, and I know it's biased, hear me out, if this channel blew up, it would be amazing for BNGO. Not only because I'm transparent and show the portfolio and all the crap that we do, right, admitting we're wrong, but because the due diligence is here. And the AMC-like move is here. The debunking of the articles, the earnings report, the financials projections. That is why this channel needs to blow up more than any other one, in my mind, right? You guys determine whoever the hell you watch. It's not me, but that's what I think. I think that's true. I think BioNano would be more positively affected in the aggregate by my channel blowing up than any other channel. Seriously. I mean, no one else. Have you seen? Okay, I know I'm getting arrogant at this point, but it's just true, right? It's like, do I tell the truth, or do I trim it? Do I tame it down not to be so arrogant, right? No one else has a due diligence like this on Reddit, right, or on YouTube, or wherever, right? No. Have you ever seen it? I've never seen an 83-page document. I mean, this isn't even 83 technically. It's like 80 because like the first page here is disclaimers, I guess, kind of. So, but still, no one else goes to this length. So that's my synthesis, right? That's my belief. I can be wrong. A tie with the diamond hand guy on it. War jacket, BNGO. I could put a BNGO patch on my battle jacket, which is battle jacket is like a denim jacket with like a bunch of metal bands on it, patches on it. I have one of those. I could probably do. I can't sew. I would have to go somewhere to get that. But that'd be cool. I'm not going to do it. It takes too much time. I don't waste time. I only work. And eat. That's all I do nowadays. And school, which luckily is done finally, basically. The base that is forming, we break. On the weekly charts, the base that is forming, we break the $7 and we're on. And then something. And then we break 1050. We get power trend up. Plus Sapphire sales from factory. Lots of sales according to DD. Yes, also we have 150 Sapphire orders, apparently, according to an employee of Paramount, the manufacturing plant that manufactures the Sapphires. That's not an extremely reliable source, but it kind of is. It's not reliable. It's not as reliable as like, okay, you can look at an article, you can look at the credentials, and you can look at the quote itself. No, literally just an employee on StockTwits said that Paramount maybe has an order of 150. They got a code, an encrypted code. So that's something to keep in mind. If they are ordering 150, sales projected to be higher than 43 for the rest of the year in the Sapphire sales. Someone who works at the factory passed the information. What does that mean? You mean what? They work at the factory and then they can pass the information? Of course they can. I'm not debating that. Not being share related. And payment companies from providing services. Okay, China has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services. relating to cryptocurrency transactions. All of them? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? China has banned all institutions from providing services relating to buying and selling any crypto. Are you sure? That's insane if it's true. There must be some sort of specification, like they banned only one company or one thing about that. There's no way China just banned all of buying and selling of Bitcoin. No way, right? That would be way. I would have heard about that if it was. I must be misunderstanding, or are you saying something else? Let me see. China. Is there any China thing in here? Look at how much news Bitcoin has. Literally, this is just this is just today. Iran cracks down on crypto miners. I'm not seeing anything. If that's true, crypto's done. Yeah, it is. Like, a ton of miners are from China, man. And a lot of people that invest in crypto is in China or are in China. And there's no way that's true. If that was true, crypto would be like at 30K right now or 35K. There's no, send me the link. Send me the link. There's no goddamn way that's true. Let me look that up. Oh, I found it 1 hour ago. Holy crap. Let's look at this. Is this the right one? Make sure this is the right one. Is this from Reuters? Okay, it is the right one. All right. China has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing financial. But here's the thing. Have they banned all of them, though? How many? How many have they banned? All of them? Like, God damn, my writing is so bad. And warned investors against speculative crypto trading. Under the ban, such institutions, including banks and online payment channels would technically include all brokers, including Webull and all the brokers that they use, would it not? Must not offer clients any service involving cryptocurrency, such as registration, trading, clearing, and settlement. Three industry bodies said in a joint statement on Tuesday. So that means some sort of government thing in China, the Communist Party in China, doing whatever, the tyranny that they do. All right, recently, cryptocurrency prices have skyrocketed and plummeted, and speculative trading seriously infringing on the safety of people's property and disrupting the normal economic and financial order. Holy shit. That is crazy. No. Hold on, though. Hold on. That's not necessarily a short signal, because this has already been priced in. My friend, the whales of Bitcoin already know about that, and that is what is killing Bitcoin right now. That's a buying opportunity, maybe. Do you know why? Based on, okay, make your own decision. But what I'm construing this as is this. I think China eventually. China is fucking insane. Okay, the Communist Party. You got crazy shit going on. They're literally insane. You got the COVID manufacturing virus, maybe, right? I guess that's conspiracy, right? If you get offended, that's fine. I'm not saying that's true or not, but basically, China's fucking insane. One of these days, I think it's not that crazy to think that the Communist Party is going to become more democracy-like, constitutional republic-like, and become sane again, right? Right now, they're absolutely insane, and this is absolutely infringing. If this was in the U.S., there would be another revolution if the government banned buying and selling stuff that is any cryptocurrency. That there's no way. So I'm guessing in China, the people are fucking revolting against this, or at least some of them are super pissed off. I mean, if you were in China and you're a crypto guy, like there are a ton, are you going to be fine with banning them all of trading it? No. This is going to change, and they are going to. I think eventually they are going to. Wait. Okay, see here, this is important actually. We need to take a look at this. China has banned crypto exchanges and initial coin offerings, but has not barred individuals from holding cryptocurrencies, right? So a lot of them are still holding, but they can't sell. So wait a second, if I'm understanding this right, you can't do any sort of transaction, right? They've banned all cryptocurrency transactions through any sort of online payment channel, which includes all brokers. But you can hold though. So everyone in China is forced to hold their crypto no matter how low it goes. Someone fact check me if I'm wrong. 100% true article from 2015. This is from today. This one is from today, my friend. They're going to make some central exchange controlled by a Communist China party. Oh, yes, they may do that. Yeah, I've heard those rumors. Damn, this is crazy. This is crazy, dude. America, we gotta fucking step up to this and say, hell no, China. We can't fucking let you control the damn crypto. And yeah, you make your own decision if you want China to rule us or not. That's your decision, not mine. I'm not trying to indoctrinate you or anything. Anyways, let them sell so they can buy BNGO. No, man, crypto. We don't want crypto to crash. I mean, honestly, I would be fine because I would just triple. Here's the thing: if crypto crashed, I would have to sell a little bit of BNGO. I'm going to be honest with you, or at least use the rest of my buying power to go in on Mara because it's too damn auspicious. You guys know I'm a Bitcoin believer. I'm a Mara believer, Bitcoin believer. Anyways, yeah, this is absolutely insane. I would not be surprised. Someone tell me what you think of this synthesis right now. Okay. China, one of these days, either they are going to introduce a new broker or new crypto that they can trade, but eventually they are going to open up trading for every cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. And once that happens, we're going to be fine. And also, this isn't necessarily bad. I don't know if this is necessarily bad because from this standpoint, in a small sense, because they are just going to be holding. They can't actually sell or buy. They can't sell or buy, right? Am I right about that? This is absolutely insane news, though. China is insane, dude. The communists down there are going crazy. They're absolutely autistic, in my opinion, man. Holy crap! They banned all cryptocurrency transactions. Why? I guess there may be a ton of fraud. That might be why they're doing it, and they're trying to maybe actually decrease it. But let's be honest, the Communist Party doing something that's for the people. Are you kidding me? Not likely, in my opinion. Alibaba could do it. They have their new digital coin. Yeah, I've heard rumors about that. Yeah. Let's check the stocks, though. Let's check the stonks. Enough crypto. Let's check the stonks. Stonks only go up. Yeah, so this hit an hour ago, right? 7:32 a.m. Is this? I don't know if this is Central Time or not. I assume this is Central Time. So 7:32, and Webull is in Eastern Time. So 7:32. Webull's in Eastern Time. So what's it going to be? So it's going to be like around, I don't know, about like this time. So really, it didn't really hit. It didn't really affect Bitcoin's stock price. I'm so confused. Someone explain to me why Bitcoin is not dumping if this just got released a few hours ago because of this. I mean, the headline of this looks horrible. The headline, you would think Bitcoin is going to go down another 20% based on the headline. But if you actually read it, based on my understanding, they're all holding. Hold on, let me read these. Okay. 2017, Beijing tried to crack down on initial coin offerings. There was no real long-term effect. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking as well. I mean, how many crypto wizards are going to find a way to get past the ban, right? I mean, there's so many ways you can access the United States brokers, right? Isn't there not? But they are going to try to ban it. So who knows? I don't know. Crypto will end badly. Many will be burned hard. Wow, Havana, you're a bear on crypto long term, really? Peter Schiff. I love Peter Schiff, what he says actually, but with Bitcoin, I don't like it. They're doing it that a person with money in crypto is independent on the regime. They can't allow that. Independent from the regime, or what do you mean by that? That's not. I need you to word that more clearly, my friend. Wow, 1.3 billion people. Imagine the number of Flat Brian. Wow, yeah, 1.3 billion. I'm assuming that's the Chinese population, I think, and then. Yeah, they can't. They can only hold. They're all bag holding right now, or I mean, some of them are not. I'm sure some of them got in way before. Reuters writing a misleading article on China banning. People retweeting Reuters and believing it. Market dumping on the Reuters news. China didn't just ban crypto. It's reiterating an anti-speculation law from years ago. Damn, that's really misleading if they did this. And this is a main outlet of news here, that they give news on BioNano all the time. This is a major news outlet. Are you serious? Is that true? Let me read the rest of this. They don't talk about anything. They don't say anything in here about it being earlier. They are implying that this is new. They are definitely implying that this is new. Somebody clear this up for me. There's so many interpretations on this. They can't allow people from being independent on a communist banking system. being independent from the communist banking system. Hard to be a tyrant if you can't freeze funds. Yes. Yeah, all right, I think I understand. Yeah, I kind of agree with you. Yeah. Yeah, I think they probably want to be able to. I don't know. The Chinese people are insane. I mean, they're communists. I mean, you don't know what the hell they're going to do. And they have a free market system, though. That's the only reason why they're actually doing, why they have any wealth at all, in my opinion, at least. But please, let's install BNGO in China. I think we do. Do we have a Sapphire in China? I think we do. We're in South Korea, South Africa, Greece, Russia. Let me see. Let me just Control F China, see if there's anything. Here we go. All right, there's actually 3 mentions of China. So for BioNano, the power of optical genome mapping data was on display. Here, let me. Tell me if the audio gets worse at some point, because my mic will sometimes flip to one side. It's so annoying. I need to fix I need to find a solution to that. Anyways, we continue to drive the awareness. We believe it is need to develop the market. So it was a key conference, right? So we're not. I don't think we're actually. Do we have sales in China? I don't know if we actually do. Yeah, there's only one mention of it. Okay, so yeah, I don't think we're actually in China yet, but we have presented in China, I guess. Apparently, according to that. So wow, this crypto news is insane. Not installed. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I said. It's in conference, right? Okay, you probably can't. There is latency on the stream, so it's a little bit of a delay. That's why. Yeah, I said that. It's a conference. They're not installed. Yes, you're right. Interest in Singapore is peaking. Wonder what that's all about. I think the interest in also there's also inquiries from several international countries. Yes, we do. We have sales in China. That's a question for Brennan, Messenger of Moistville. I bet he would probably know. I don't know exactly. We do have conferences, right? They have had a strong presence at various key conferences in China. That's all. They mention nothing about sales in the Sapphire in the last earnings report. So I don't know. Let me know. Does someone know? Whatever. I mean, it's not like a make or die, break or make question. If that makes sense, or answer. Okay, BioNano is pushing again. Good. God, what is up with the barcoding, man? This is barcoding, not like Zomedica barcoding, but this is still barcoding. I would define it as barcoding right here. We don't want barcoding. We want volume. This is market manipulation right here, man. If there was only volume, we'd moon. I know, man. I know, and it's my only hope that I know it's selfish and I want to pump the channel. Of course, I want to be successful. Of course, goddamn, I want the channel to be successful. But I also want people to realize this channel is here because they can understand what they're missing out with BNGO and maybe potentially become a bull or at least be interested in it, pushing the volume higher, making the aggregate interest higher, therefore increasing the stop price. And it's not like we're trying to be, pump and dump. We just want to make money off these new people that are finding the channel. No, I am literally going to hold indefinitely just to avoid those claims because I cannot stand those claims. And I know if one person makes that claim, they're going to get a lot of people to believe them if I don't respond to it instantly, which I'm not going to be able to, especially now. Anyways, China loves new tech. They would jump in. China's crazy, man. But yeah, they are techie, right? For BNGO, I think they are waiting for a close at 6 to enter. You think China... Wait, Marcus, my friend, you think China is waiting for a close at 6? At 6 to enter? I'm sorry, I can't see. I cannot see, man. Yes. Okay, Alan, that is a good point. If my DD is correct, if my due diligence is correct, it can still take a few years for the price of BioNano to be right. Yes, that is correct. But I do also think that. Oh wow, battery 20% battery. All right, well that puts a cap on the limit of the stream. I guess I could change the camera on stream, but what do you call it? Yes, but if we were still at $5 end of year and we didn't even hit 10 or 15 or 20 is my prediction, that would suck and I would be wrong. I have made the prediction $20 end of year likely case. The only contingency is the Nasdaq. Let's be honest, you're only bullish because you're making money off this channel. That is 100% false. That really pisses me off. So I'm going to go ahead and prove that to you. My friend, if you go to my very earliest video when I had no viewers and I didn't have any of the trolls like you. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Here, let me just uploads. Oh no, here. All right, the first upload I did. Here you go. My price. I've actually decreased my price target for BioNano. My BioNano price target end of year was $50 on my first video. I've become less bullish on my end of year price target for BNGO actually. Yeah. So, you know, that's absolutely completely false. I've been a BioNano bull. I've been a bull on all of these companies. Obviously, I first called out Microvision when it was $10, BioLace $1, Mora 20, and then it went to 60 at 3x. MP, that 2x. Nano Dimension, that probably went up, what, 30, 40%. BNGO was 11, so only up 40% from that. But yeah, if you average down on BNGO, you made a lot of money. I'm green on BioNano now. Anyways, yeah, that's totally false. That's totally false. I don't think this is 200 by the end of the year. I don't. You are high if you think that's what I say because you can't read, my friend. If you look at the current positions, every time the Bears, I swear to God, the Bears are retarded. Dr. Pepper, no disrespect, but just you have to watch and understand something before you make a strong opinion. It's the fallacy of composition. This is the likely case. This is the bull case. Do you know what bull case means? That means if every single thing goes right for BioNano, the nano nozzle comes out this year. Innovations in the Sapphire, sequencing capabilities that make all of karyotyping and all structural variation detection obsolete. $200 is what we could hit at the max. That's what the bull case price target means. I've said that for a long time. I don't say that every video because it's just boring, and I used to say that every video because I used to get people, oh, you think we're going to $20 end of year? You are a fucking idiot. I still get those people like right now, but likely case is $20 in my opinion. So yeah, that is why you are a bear, and that's why no one respects you, Robbie. You make strong, here's the problem with you, Robbie, or not Robbie, basically, it might as well be Robbie. You make strong opinions without understanding what the hell you're talking about. Okay, I don't think it's going to go to $200 end of year. Bull case, the max cap on bull case end of year, that's not what I think it's going to go to. Literally, the likely case is what I think. So, yes. So, yeah, you're full of shit if that's what you think. And I'm not trying to harp on you, but like you're just so ignorant and naive at this point. Like, you brought it upon yourself. You brought it upon yourself. My name is Pepper, not Robbie. Well, I get you mixed up. You're both as dumb. You're both the same amount you're both trying to sabotage the channel and literally just mindlessly hate the same amount. So sorry, Robbie Jr. That's better, Robbie Jr. Can I call you Robbie Jr., Dr. Pepper? Is that all right? I don't care. I'm gonna call you that anyway. If you're gonna keep being disrespectful, don't give a fuck if you get offended. Don't give a fuck, my friend. All right. Level 2 data. Let's get back to BioNano. Bears are still winning, doubling, almost doubling the bulls on the level 2 data, which is not indicative of what's going to happen. Do not think I'm bearish because of that. It's just something to keep in mind. Level 2, we're gonna have 1,000. We're gonna have 1,000 sell limits orders at 6. And check this out. What do you all see here? Let's see if Dr. Pepper can figure out what this is. Do you understand what this is, Dr. Pepper? I'm going to answer for you. Probably not. This is what we call a cup and handle right here. At least a cup. This is at least the first half of the cup and handle. We would make a handle here. Price target would be, let's draw up the price target because this looks pretty damn surefire as of now. Let me draw it up pretty conservatively. Right about, and the cup and handle, the trajectory of a cup and handle usually goes down like a descending wedge. And then you draw the price target you place it at the breakout point. May as well be Robbie. That's exactly my thoughts. I'm crying. Oh, man. All right. All right, man. Yeah, I call him Robbie so many. I'm just used to Robbie being stupid. So it's like, yeah, man, I don't care. I don't care, man. I do not care. At this point, I always try to be respectful. I always try to be respectful and fair at the start. But if they're not going to give me the same courtesy, fuck you anyway. Essentially. All right, what else do we got? We're going to end the stream pretty soon here because I'm running out of things to say. But this news right here, somebody tell me for sure. Please, somebody tell me for sure if this is true news or not. Some people have been saying this is complete bullshit. Some people are saying that this is old news. The price action didn't react to this, which makes me think that it is old news. Also, the fact that it's they can only hold right now also makes me think that this isn't bearish. This is actually bullish, maybe, or at least more bullish than the headline would allude to. Actually, potentially. Because they're going to be allowed to reopen, and then the headline's going to be, oh, China allows Bitcoin trading, or China allows cryptocurrency trading, and that's going to be bullish. All right. I prefer being 4% up every day rather than going up and down for my own mental health. Yeah, honestly, that's the truth. That's the truth, man. After a while of doing it, you just get used to it. I mean, if you've been in the market since February 16th, nothing phases you. I mean, do you guys remember the days like back? I mean, I don't know how many of you like were beginners like a year ago or 5 years ago or whatever. But when you just start out, it's like when your stocks are down, it's like, oh, heart rate starts increasing. And nowadays you wake up and it's red and it's just like, whatever. It's just like, whatever, we're good. Long term, we're good. I sent the article to your Discord. What article? Genomics and cancer care. Is this the China thing, or yeah, this is okay. So this is the same person that said we're in the China market, that we have a sapphire sale and adoption in China. Okay, so there's none. Let me try Asia. Okay. This is interesting. Let me see what we're dealing with here. All right, so wow, this is a long one. All right, so genomics cancer care market. Okay, so this isn't actually about BioNano, though. Is BioNano even in this article, my friend? My friend, BioNano is not even listed in the article at all. My friend, come on. This is, I mean, I like that it's the genomics. Yeah, the genomics, the revenue for genomics sector and PacBio and whatever. Yeah, we're supposed to get into Asia Pacific, and, but there's no mention of optical. Is there even mention of optical genome mapping or Sapphire? Nope. There's nothing. Yeah, that's total crap, my friend. Sorry. That's not good. Is that the wrong article by chance? That's wrong. Yeah. Am I missing something in there? There's no. Brain, I lost 10K in a day now. Nothing phases me. I used to get sad about stuff or mad now, but now I'm dead inside. Hell yeah, man. Dead inside. We are veteran soldiers at the Battle of the Bulge, dude. Have you guys ever watched the Civil War animations to like where they're where the fights are happening? I love those. For some reason, I watched so many of those. I can watch like hours of those in a day. Not anymore. Don't have time anymore. But those were so fun to watch. Yeah, Civil War. I'm actually the most informed about the Civil War out of any war in history. Actually, that's the one that's the most insane. And I'm the most knowledgeable. Anyways, that's irrelevant. That moment, Bitcoin dropped 50%. No, that's not true. Not in this article. This article sent it barely down at all. This was this morning, 7:32 a.m. Central Time, I think. I would like if they said if it was Central Time. But, okay, so it was it was updated 33 minutes ago. They changed something? What the hell, man? What the hell? This fishy stuff by the Reuters staff, man. This is a big news outlet, too. Yeah, the Civil War is definitely the most interesting. I mean, come on. There's so many. I mean, come on. We were testing prenatal and shining. I was sent to your DM. Okay, thank you, Brendan. Thank you. All right. I'll check that out later and bring that up later today, maybe, or in tomorrow's stream sometime. Thank you. I told you Brendan would know. I told you. I didn't know for sure. Brandon, scroll on top. You only saw the end. Yeah, I know, but I control F and there was no BioNano. I mean, there's nothing. The global genomics care. I mean, they're talking about sequencing here, I believe. Yeah, they're talking about long read sequencing, which is what Illumina mostly does. And yeah, no, there's no BioNano. I already control F, the BioNano, optical genome mapping, Sapphire, and China, which is all of the things that we were talking about. There's nothing in there. But yeah, the guy is going to try to get the full report. So please do that, my friend. Thank you. Everyone who has done digging on the Discord and literally wasted their brain cells away, it's not wasting. It's for a good cause. But thank you so much for everyone. This is a ticker. Gay motherfucker. That's a stock name, I guess. No, gay and motherfucker straight to Uranus. I'm sorry, I'm a nerd. I'm like my humor is like I have dry humor, I have every type of humor. I also have different laughs. My laugh will change every time, as you noticed. Anyways, yeah, I have a childish sense of humor. 100%. Dr. Pepper told me he was hired by PacBio. They scared. Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Dr. Pepper and Robbie, both PacBio employees, like secretaries or something. Janitor of PacBio. Guys, look, 588 resistance. Yes, there is 588 resistance. Yep, barcoding, market manipulators, people scalping, buying here, selling here. Yep, let's push. Past 587. We don't even need to pass 587 for today. We just need to hold above 580. That's what we need to do. For me, that's what we need to do. Volume is going up rapidly. Not really. Looking at the 1 minute chart, the volume is decreasing. Look at that. It's decreasing, man. What are you talking about? Volume is, are we even at 10 million? We're barely at 10 million. God, this is not going to be a good volume day. This is not, I mean, we're on trajectory. We are on a trajectory to roughly pass the 26 million 3-month average, but not by a ton. Not by a ton. We need to consistently get 50 million volume or more, or at least 40 million to make me feel even a little bit happy with our efforts. All for a good cause. Robbie and Pepper very bullish on game, motherfucker. Oh man, that's too funny. It's gone up 2 mil in 20 minutes. Well, just look at the candles. I mean, we don't really have any significant. I don't think it has gone up 2 million in 20 minutes based on this. I guess if you're looking at a stat, I guess that could be right, but based on this, I don't think that might not be true, my friend. That's what it's showing on Robinhood. Oh man, that's Robinhood. That's why you got to get out of Robinhood, dude. Robinhood are manipulated. They are manipulating the markets. I swear to God. I mean, you already have known. They tell you what you can sell and what you cannot. That sucks. They tell you can't buy GameStop. Oh, we're shorting GameStop. You can't buy it. Like that is straight. That is legitimate 100% market manipulation. 1,000%. No, you can't debate that. I think profitability could become possible Q3, but that's slim to none. I agree. The slim to none chance. I honestly don't think it's slim to none. I think there is always like a less than 5% chance, which is low, but it's not really slim. Slim to none is like less than 1%. I would define that. But what do you call it? We could definitely get that. I mean, all it takes is the nano nozzle to come out early or any sort of innovation in the Sapphire to cause a crazy amount of sales. The gross margins are going up. Profit margins are going up, or at least they did last quarter. They're going to be getting more efficient as far as operating expenses. So I think that's certainly possible. And Q4 positive EPS is absolutely. In eToro, you cannot short BNGO, which is good for us. Market manipulators on our side finally, right? That's what I'm talking about. Let me check the broader markets here. See what we're doing. UVXY, yes. This makes me much more bullish on the markets, and I know this is nothing new, but the fear index is getting killed right now, which I love. I love that. That's the number one. That's the biggest thing that kills the markets in these days because everything is fearful. Everyone's fearful. Even today, even when the Nasdaq's up, it's fearful. I mean, relatively. You know, technically we're not fearful. Technically we're going up, but you know what I mean. More up 5%, man. Hell yes. Is Bitcoin doing something finally? Kind of. It's kind of going up. Kind of. Barely. You know, it's doing something. It's moving. I kind of want to take profits on Mara right now. I'm up 15% in like a day. I have a small position, but I also don't want to take profits because it's such a good entry point and it's such a good long-term play in my opinion. BNGO is a marathon, not a sprint. That is the truth. That is the truth, my friend. Yesterday at this time, it was Yep. That puts it into perspective. So basically, we are on track to have halved our volume in the last 3 trading days, or last 2 trading days, and this will be the 3rd consecutively. So May 14th, the day after earnings, Friday last week, we had 103 million volume. And then yesterday we had 53 million volume, right? 53 exactly, I think. And then today we are 10 million less than what we were at this point yesterday. We're doing awful. we are doing awful. We're doing awful. Set stop loss for Mara, bro. No, I don't like stop losses. Stop losses suck in my opinion, my friend. But I appreciate you looking out for my friend. Yeah, no. As of now for Mara, as for now, I think I'm just holding, man. Hell yeah, I'm just holding. If it dips more, I want to add more. Here's the thing with this. I want to get this is literally just like BIOL. As it's down, I want to get as many shares as possible. And if it runs, I'm gonna play the breakout because I want more than 23 shares. I at least want like 40 shares before this thing heads up back to all-time highs, which will be this year guaranteed. I guarantee you. I don't guarantee, but I'm very confident Mara will see all-time highs before end of year, which would represent 200%, 3x, 3x. Citadel filed 3 transactions put. Yes. Well, Citadel, here's the thing. Citadel has a ton of shares. They had a new position. They had a put and a call. So let me go ahead and Control F here. My favorite little tool here. It's such a handy tool. All right, so yeah, they only have 3 transactions here on the first page at least. So they have a call right here filed on the 17th, and they also have the put right there, and then they also have the 2.5 million shares. So basically, with the put, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure out they're hedging their position with the put. They are more bullish. I mean, they have a call and 2.5 million shares. So you know, as of the transaction of this file date, which we don't know when that was. We need to give BNGO publicity on social media like TikTok. That's a marketable place. I've seen accounts get over 800,000 likes. God, TikTok is like a freaking it's an innervating thing, right? It drains the energy of you, or at least me. But yeah, social media, man. If you're a social media guy and you or a guy or gal and you social media a lot, do it. Share the due diligence. Share your thoughts. Share the price target. Your end of your price target. Do it, man. That's how we increase the share. That's how we increase the share price in a natural, good, moral cause, legal way. And seriously, we're just trying. All we're doing is getting the information out about the company in whatever way you want to do. It's legal. So I don't want to hear any pump and dumps. And we're not trying to pump and dump. We're trying to return the stock to its true value and hodl long term. Damn, we are going down. No, we're not. Well, BioNano is a little bit. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, that 1 minute chart looks so scary. Oh man, we're still forming higher lows though. If we get a bounce here, I'm not really scared of this just because the Nasdaq is not really freaking out. If this was to bleed right now, it would be because whales or retail investors got spooked for some reason, or just taking profits. I don't know. There's no reason why we shouldn't get a bounce here, in my opinion, though. Unless the Nasdaq just took a hit, which I'm not seeing. I don't think it did. Oh, it did. It did. Okay, goddamn. All right, never mind. Nasdaq is at the level of support right now. I am going to go ahead and turn this green. I think we are going to confirm this as the support, but I'm not sure. Well, actually, technically, this isn't really a level of support. This was actually where the SAR was. So technically, we can just free fall. Another level of support on the daily, though, or on the 1 minute, I should say, is going to be this level right here. That is where we had a double top potentially and then broke out. So that is going to hopefully be a little bit of support. And on the 4 hourly, is looking beautiful. 4 hourly is looking beautiful. We've got that SAR, man. We've got that SAR bullish flip. Very bullish. Very bullish. What happened to the Nasdaq? I thought it was just a free fall for no reason, but yeah, no, the IWM, everything is taking right now. Look at that. What happened? I don't think any news happened. Let me check Yahoo Finance. They usually are not that quick though. Here, let me actually check the news tab here. Yeah, there's nothing for the IWM, for the Nasdaq. Nope. Let me know. Do you guys know of anything that set the markets on edge right now? I don't think there is. Let me see if let me see. When is the Fed talking? 10:05, and this is in Eastern time, I think. Yeah, this is in Eastern time, so 9:05 Central time. So this has already started. This girl could have said something more bad, or no, not girl, guy. Larry Summers. He could have said something stupid. He is in that conference right now, or maybe it already ended. That could have been what set the markets down. Dang, we're not really bouncing. Or I guess the IWM kind of is. The Nasdaq isn't really moving though. BNGO natural growth is fine, but I'd be okay with a little steroids. That's my argument. That's Havana, I agree with you, my friend. See, I'm with the Wall Street Bet apes helping us out. I've already told you guys the synthesis. There's no reason why it would hurt the company, right? I hear people say, oh, they're going to turn it into a meme stock. What's wrong with it being a meme stock? Do you really think a couple investors? I mean, if we're really going to get a squeeze, a lot of those memers are going to become they're going to become actual investors because of the company's auspicious nature, due diligence. God dang, the Nasdaq is still going. Nasdaq is still going. Alert, we need to get a bounce here. I mean, we're still bullish on the SAR, so we're still good. I mean, as long as that's green still, but bears will not cross 575. Isn't BioNano already below 575? Okay, no, it's not. Did we go below that? No, we didn't. Okay, good, you're right. Level 2 data. Yeah, we've got a ton of look at this. Okay, here's the thing. We've got a ton of sell walls, but a lot of these are going to be fake, and a lot of these are at $6, the whole number. The bulls are fighting. Based on this, there could be fake walls on either side, right? But based on this, the bulls have the advantage short term. We have way more. Look at this, 15K, 14K. The bears don't even have any in double digits, right? So, something to keep in mind. It had to do a deep dive to spring hard to 6 by noon. By noon? All right, Havana. All right, $6. I think, all right, that's your prediction. We'll see. I hope you are right. Chris Sain reiterated an easy $16 target, and that's without him doing as much due diligence as you and most of us. Dude, Chris Sain, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Most of the big YouTubers don't do half as much due diligence as we do, in my opinion. Did he really set a $16 target? I do know, according to who sent the email? Was it Marcus? I forgot who exactly sent the email, but thank you for whoever sent the email to Chris Sain and sent the screenshot. I forgot who sent that. It was a legend. If someone reminds me, I'll remember. But what do you call it? He said we would see easy double digits soon, I think. Quote. I'm pretty sure that's what he said. Chris Sain isn't reliable as he doesn't show his down positions. And he doesn't show his history. He doesn't show his history. Do you guys notice when I show you my portfolio, I'm always on the max time frame, right? I always show you the max time frame. There's a reason for that. I'm not just trying to show you the 5-day here. Oh, I'm up $2,000, guys, 44%. I'm up so much. You know, no, that's not fair. You have to show the max. That's the only way to be transparent, dog. It's the only way, in my opinion. I did that, but it's all thanks to your document. Well, thank you so much, Mark, my friend. Thank you so much. I still need to email Chris as well, if I will. I don't know. I think we're going to end the stream. We're going to end the stream pretty soon, though. We're going to end the stream. I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, Chris Sain isn't reliable because he doesn't show his down positions. Yeah, man, but BioNano is breaking the ascending level that is not very validated. So this isn't really, it's not the end of the world, right? It's not a very validated level, right? I mean, it's just, you know, we only have 2 data points and we don't even have a bounce off this. So it's not even, it's basically 1 data point. Chris got clowned on Webull every time it goes down. I'm a little confused on how you word that, but what do you mean? Doesn't he still use Robinhood? Barcoding, dude. What's up with the barcoding? This is why we need volume. We need volume, boys. God, it's the same thing. We need volume. Stocks and memes. If you guys have any memes for BioNano, make sure you send it to the Stocks and Memes channel on the Discord. Free link in the description, my friends. Let me see. Since I'm kind of running out of things to talk about, what else do we... BNGO YOLO calls. Right. I did say I was going to add shares probably if the Nasdaq held. And is the Nasdaq getting a bounce right now? I think it probably is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, so the Nasdaq is getting a bounce. Yeah, I am going to add BNGO shares, or at least put a buy order in, I think. Damn, dude. I had an order for 100 shares at 5:30 yesterday. It almost got filled. Look, I put it in right after this, and if I would have checked my phone earlier, I would have probably done the same exact thing, man. Damn, I would have liked to get another 100 shares in cheap. That would have brought my cost basis down a little more. Damn, man. Damn. Anyways, once we're profitable, BNGO is off to the moon. I agree. I think once BNGO gets 1 quarter that's EPS positive, I think a ton of institutions are going to load in. I do think so. 20 minutes to 6. All right. Havana is a legend, man. Havana is really good on his predictions. I'm telling you guys. He is right all the time. So he's saying we're going to see $6 in 20 minutes. All right, man. All right. I think we can. I think we should. I don't necessarily think that's more likely than having 1 hour from now, but I'm not seeing anything in the charts that's really crazy, you know. I mean, we still do have all the golden crosses. We have we're in bullish territory, right, on the 30-minute and the 4-hourly. Do we have the 4-hourly Supertrend as well? We do as well. On the daily, what do we need to break on the daily? We have a little while yet, right? We got to get up to 650 to break the SAR on the daily. As of now, it actually, in the next few days, this week, we'll probably actually get rejected or break that today. Or not today, this week, excuse me. Because the Supertrend and SAR are going to keep consistently going down, or at least the SAR will. The Supertrend kind of stays sideways a lot of the time. I also, one thing that I really like about the price action is that we're holding above that 21 SMA. Or, wait a second. No, we're not. No, well, actually, currently right now we're not. We're still getting, we're still getting rejected right now. But we need to hold above 580. That's why I've been saying 580, man. That's what we need to close the day above. We're getting rejected at that Bollinger Band. That's 21 SMA on the daily. I trust Havana performing brain surgery more than I trust Dr. Pepper ordering Chinese food. More than 50% institutional shares. That's a bull sign. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, we're gonna end the stream though. I gotta end the stream. We gotta go. I gotta go eat, man. I gotta go eat and get out of here because we've been going on for so long. Dang, Nasdaq is bleeding again. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah, all right, we'll see if we get a bounce off this support we drew up. Wow. Wow, man. Dumping. Did anything set the market on edge? Or is there anything? I don't think there is. Pepper works as a janitor at Pat Bio. I know. That's what I said. Pepper works as a janitor. Yep. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, man. All right. Microvision, Nanovision, everything bleeding. Everything's down. Jumi's holding up nicely. Mora is holding up pretty nicely. BioNano's doing well, too. All right. Wow. All right. Nasdaq just free falling. I mean, we'll see if this support is more like down here or here. We'll see. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. Last week we were at 4%. No, I think 2 weeks ago we were at 4%, my friend. I think so. I think the institutional ownership was at 4% last week for BioNano. We're now at 15%. Let me refresh this again. Man, we've got no... my idea about institutional ownership being less filings today has been right so far. Yeah, there's been nothing. There's been no transactions today besides one or files today. All right, I think we're gonna end the stream here. Here, let me see. Tell you what. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do some quick posts and get out of here. I think we're gonna do, yeah, last minute questions, boys. Last minute questions. I will get them. No ticker requests, please. But any questions about the stocks, not TA requests for random tickers though. Any questions y'all have, I will answer those and then we'll get out of here. Current positions, I'll just leave it on the screen for a second. I think I found what's up there with the markets. Let me know. Is it the bond yields here? That just reminded me of the bond yields. Let me see. The bond yields haven't even been relevant the last few weeks. Have you guys noticed that? Oh, these things are up. No. No, it's not good. Yeah, they're up, man. Damn. Well, says economy hasn't made the progress needed for Fed to scale back asset purchases. What is that from? Is that from this? Is that from that? Clear. Okay. Can you explain why some stocks got above 100% institutional holding, like an Illumina 150%? I don't know exactly. It's some sort of mistake, obviously, because there's only 100%. There's only 100% of a float or of the total shares outstanding, so you can't go higher than that. I don't really know. I don't really know exactly. It's some sort of issue in Fintel.io's calculations, I think. Because if you look at here, what's one? Illumina has. Okay, so let me see if FinViz has Illumina's institutional as 150%, because I think they may have something different here. Yeah. Okay. Exactly. Well, it's still extremely high. I don't even know if that's true, but yeah, I think Fintel.io, they are a little more. What's the word? Innovative in their calculations. They calculate this stuff. They do a lot of new kind of calculations, and their calculations not the same as FinViz's. They're always different, no matter what day, and they're always different. So it may be something to do with Fintel's being weird. According to FinViz, Illumina has 94%, which is still way high. But I'm not exactly sure. Somebody explain that to them. I don't know exactly why. Why do some stocks have 150% institutional ownership? I think I don't know. I don't know exactly. I shouldn't say exactly because I don't know. I don't know for sure. We are pushing higher now. Did we get that bounce? Is the bounce continuing off the Nasdaq? Let's see. No, it's not. It's not. This is scary. It's a Market Watch article written by Greg Robb. Okay. Send that to the Discord if you want, my friend, or not. It's fine. I trust you. But still, I'd like to see it though. Thanks for the stream, Brandon. Love coming in here watching you daily. Thank y'all so much, man. I love these market open streams. Today was a little weird because I mostly was, I don't know, I just more tired, less loud today. Do y'all like when I'm more loud and crazy or more chill like today? There wasn't anything really crazy to talk about today, really. So I don't know. Plus, I'm just tired as hell. I was up till midnight yesterday. So, and then I woke up pretty early too. So. Yeah, BNGO is holding well. The markets are not really doing anything. BNGO is holding up really well. But yeah, I think we're going to get out of here, my friends. All right, we're going to get out of here. Last minute questions, current positions. There you go, my friends. Here, let's show off that sweet green portfolio right now, right? BIOL up 2%. We'll see how those perform the rest of the day. Crazy is what made me sub. That's kind of my thought. I kind of like when I'm more energetic. I try to be more. Yeah, I like it when it's a green day, regardless of, right. Yeah, honestly, that's the best. That's the best. That's the most important thing if it's a green day, right? All right, guys. All right, boys. Relevant information in regards to title has finished now. We're gonna shave the beard. I think I'm gonna shave the beard at $10. When BIOL gets to $10 a share, we're gonna shave it. The neck beard. I will take it down a little bit, not trim the length, but like, you know, get rid of the hairs on the neck, you know, get rid of the neck grub, you know. Red candles making higher highs 1 minute. On BioNano or Nasdaq. Anyways, yeah, we'll cover that later. But anyways, yeah, $10, that's when I'll shave the beard. Anyways, BNGO YOLO calls, I'm going to do this at some point. I don't know when. I'm going to do it, though. Suit, it's a tradition now. Go bold at 50. I'll do that. I'll seriously do that. Just to be interesting and fun and weird. I don't care if it looks absolutely god-awful. I will do that. I am the type of person to do crazy stuff. Yes. Yes, man. I'm kind of that one friend in the friend group that's like, oh, you won't skateboard down this huge hill. I'll do it. All right, anyways, suit, yeah, I'll wear the suit. Anyways, emails and responding. All right, you guys already know all this stuff. Description, links in the description for auspicious links that are free. You're not allowed to call that a beard. That's true. That's true. That's the, yeah. This, I mean, you can't even, okay, with the camera, I mean, I guess the phone camera is better than the other camera, but there's not much of a beard, to be honest. Bald head at $30. I don't know. Here, let me put that in as a reminder for me. Bald at 50. I'll do that if everyone wants me to, just to get more views. I can be like, I shave like a video titled, if BioNano hits $50, I'll shave my head bald, or I don't know. That's kind of counterintuitive though, because it's like it kind of implies, oh, I don't think it'll go to 50, so if it does, I'll go bald. So I don't know about that. You know, on second thought. Anyways, okay. Thank you, Mark. Thank you very much. Just an idea. Make the lighting a bit softer. I'm trying to make. I'm trying to do. I mess with the lighting so often, and I think I've got it better than it's ever been before. Still working on it though. Still working. I've actually got Some Kind Soul. Some Kind Soul. I think his name is what's his name? It's 3 letters. It's it's something weird. It's like KXK, K. I don't know what it is exactly, but he sent me, apparently, I don't know if it's true. He sent me a nice lighting set, which is going to be really good. So yeah, anyways, this is not financial advice. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later, man. I'm not going to keep you any longer. This is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.